Na kirari tuko oria ijumo moncho murigereria onde vensi nigo agutwara okugania una anyare kugenda ase weekendi yo mutimoko korende ase wiki yega mutimoko ki oragende gose weekendi yega yaho ekere gochaka mutimoko ki okugenda ekyagera aborokiwa gose chiskuru njire chiro chichira kubwatoka aborokiwa babo bagende ase half time gose umutimoko omoke korende aye omokenya ori kwarorere ayabirika okorekana amaene orochenga obongo bwao mbobwate utulivu erioganeti erikogenda umutimoko naboigo nekiro kurigirira siasa enyinge naboigo obukoreri wa egati y'abanyanyimbo ase ense ya Kenya ase weekend yega no nyare goswa ase umutimoko mwancho murigiriria wakire buya gose wakire ase mambi yega yeritukeriga ria ijuma ere eye chitariki emerongo ebere mutinyiga ogatano narimo karibu sana ase miroberi ya Getembe TV yomo yeritukeriga chingaki chawono omambiri ndetinyare gusanga ase obwamwekero ngorigereria egati yari agenderete kotara ase mitandao ngamo na abuna bono aborkiwa kugenda ase omutimoko moke gose half time asense moyende moske Dr. Fred Matiang'i na oroche una anyare tukuganyirwa ase egiti gechindege ya Jomo Kenyatta International Airport gose JKIA ditukorigoro napoigo ekero na tegereire enkwana yae moncho murigere ningiwete kagoteba nigo bono achire kobera n'abakenya napoigo goikate nabokongo ane mono anyare koene kiabu na amangana ega agenderete gose aria genzi bagendete kuboria boniga banyare konyora obo ene bwabo omoncho murigere ayo na yande amange nigo orayanyore ase miroberi ane mono asensemo yekionga ime ya Getembe TV karibu sana erinde tunyara gusanga asinchira ere eyo bomo ngorokwa Matilda oyo boba na cross studio kabire ni gotorenere Barnabas Ondari na boiko Rogers kumancho muligere karibu sana oikanye oike erinde tunyara gusanga aseritikeriga nande kirongo kuganiro chakeri tukuriao asinchira ere yabene inchira yo munguso na boiko tubasa gukomo yonga nonye weekend ya chakire korende kubwate obuoba gusabange bataisanigeti no bokorere bo genderete ase chinsemo chuburai mancho muligere onsi baka weekend ero eike nande baka umunguru anyala utoigora chinjira ase nonye na makongu onsi karibu sana erinde tunyara uchaka ensemo yekionga chinza 12 chabono mambi ekirongo chaka oroboti rogo ichane rwabeire rogo bwata chingoro chabantu kurori tukurigoro ekirabono mubasukano omonene onyarete gukorekana asinsemo ya daraja moja aigase omuchibusongo ane mono ase epara ekorwa ase omoche busongo gocha ase omoche okeroka nigo bono kirori banyarete kwera buna mubasukana oyo nigo nyarete kubwaterania chigari satokira abantu babire banyarete gosiria amagimabo abo korende nabandi abange bakanyara gutigirwa chingoma anko dipo nasanya agatwariganiria roboti oro asenchera ere yabene kegima
Nigoba umuichano monene asabatumiki bepara ya kisi keroka magayo mubasukano mubeko eneki wa chinsemo cha daraja moja uyubwaterania chigari sato sabantu babire basiria amagimabo nabandi gutigerwa chingoma chintindi ase bono bagendete kurwanirira amagimabo ase nyagitari ya kisi teaching and referral
nanyo ni customer mashauri ante bimo gitagia JT ke polytechnic gochaiga toikire mate nsaiga customer yangi gukura ya ukura njitime tinki ngenderete akego na regali kormotwe layo yake aria irane yake ashi achibwatera ni chialengo timatinge tukora njire chialenge bona nje ngonjere pikipiki ndete kogenda bwangwega tinge tukukuru customer ya tuma ya umio kokoro nyagitari yagenda
gukwana ekerekyo aborokiwa beskuru ya Kisii National Polytechnic abubali ngekerori ngona baboliye serikali kobeka chibobi chepara chinsemecho kubwatakana nigo mibasakane menge yabiriye konekiwa asayo
Nina ni Frida Gori. I'm from Kisii Polytechnic. We have witnessed a very severe accident here at our gate na hatujafurahishwa. Kwa hivyo tunaomba serikali pamoja na serikali ya county mshughulikie barabara kwa umakini sana so that we as students and other people outside here wapate freedom ya kutembea tu kwa barabara. Juu hata kama mimi vile nimeona hadi nimeogopa hata kutravel kwa barabara. Naishi kwa shule. Sasa sijui niishi ndani ya shule.
Mimi ni student hapa Kisii National Polytechnic. Tuko na huzuni sana. Kenye imehappen leo ijai happen mara moja. Hii njia ukienda from the other side hadi huko chini ni mteremko, hatuna bump. Hapa tunapitia kila siku, tunavuka kama students. Hii barabara isipotengenezwa, naongea na mheshimiwa Honorable Simba Arati. Hii barabara isipotengenezwa tutaifunga kama wanafunzi, maana tutapoteza maisha ya wanafunzi hapa pia.
Ichinga keche chuboigo abarokiwa winigo batebanga nigo bono babeire no bwo bonene anena sogotumeka epareyo.
Sadly mimi nahuzunika, moyo wangu nalia kwa sababu hii barabara ukiangalia hapa juu, this is Kisii Polytechnic and the accident has occurred hapa tu karibu na gate. Sasa wanafunzi wetu wako at risk.
Hase chinkuma chiegalie yemo kobutoka chibrek kuhirira egekora ikyo kweneki wa chinsemecho nigo bono abarundia baboliwe babe maiso chinga kibara separa.
Njia watu wa traffic muangalie madereva wenu na makondakta, watu wanaendesha gari kama wamelewa.
Kulipoteleketa seni kia ukia gatembe kuruiga daraja moja imeye kaunti ya Kisii. Tena nigo kwa dipo Asanya
Mwancho mwaligereria na bamenyi bekenyoro kia Nyamataro matoke nigo bono banyarete gwecokia ritukuri igoro na gukora ukurubikana magega yoko erera buna nigo epara eyo yanyarete kurosugwe para yakoro chinsemo cha Nyamataro gocha matoke kiore ase bagoteba buna nigo epare yo yanyarete kurosigwa gose omo contractor etwe mirimo yo turanyara gukora emirimo oyaye buneganire nekero bagoteba epare yo nigo bono yabekeirwa omoromu oromoke kegima na boigo yanyare koba embe buna bono ekero embure gutunekero bakuburia buna omo contractor yo airaniraro na boigo kore emirimo yaye asinchira engikirano nainde anko Dipon Asanya no roboti oro
nigo yairire ikeye moyoka maiga yokorosigwa wepara ya Nyamataro matoke ase abamenyi bensemejwe besokire na kumochia omo contractor gutakore mirimo yaje boikiranu.
Asama lietangorwa Absalom Nyakundi solo yetaria stage epare actually yabere utosumbuye ngakintambi sana for so long tuabeto goteseka, lakini mheshimiwa gatoni kare jaga tateinga epare ye plan imbuate ne yokobeke lami igobono asebono igare mereri gatonya cross drainage na maintenance kurwabu elami ngocheri kendo tote gukumi late last week yebigera gitajaje tega ikarime pare na kiarema akaruoro bakaigore para on one side kuru Nyamataro tega ikabakanga na sobo mheshimiwa
gukwanekere kyuni go banyorire obokongu bogotumeka epareywe maigaje mbure nyinge konekigwa obotuko bogokirero
banyoro mochando monge se pale ya matoke muna asinte neiga epale ya salekire ya bera matoboka epale ya le mukuru moino Nyamatari kagare igwe kabengare one sikukwanira ga epale ya nyerere omo engineer oremete pale drainage ji pale jinteyo amacha gweta para gati none chigarisa ye chikwamete togosaba mheshimiwa kebagendi anyare korora ringaneri anyare gutuma omo engineer nyakora kebishe pale erinde transportation enyare koba easy
sai wikira boniga epare yajitekaremu okoremu yare metu bamanyire korenta maraba eba gutubikira maraba tengo noro moro mba tubikire gaiga so that in tu atakata koraiga epare yeto gosieka erebwe komanye nache koyane kinga kie pare yasiekiro
okonekere kyo nigo batebanga obunchurere bwabo nigo bwatenena asege kigetambe
kurma bintora abogori torigaza gwatemire okobeka mavutemi kwabogori amusini one ina asara naende bono mwedo nyomba ntokanyire
engana bono baruro kuboria gujosomo jumbe bwebunge ya Kitutu cha South omweshimiwa Anthony Kibagendi wesokia na kuringoria ekerengo kyokorosibwe bwepareywe nomo contractor ywe
mweshimiwa gento kwara please tugwande nande togosigete gento kware okora epare igo munjini oyo jetega tigairane anyerigeri biya asaketi abeke drainage amakarabati arosiwe iguru so that epare nyare ko babuya amang'ana iga manga nyare kwera
kuripoteri gitaseni kiao bwanchite kia getembe kuruiga separa ya Nyamataro Matoke igotoka imeje bunge ya Kitutu cha sauti litaya na nkuru kwa Dipon hasa
ibikorwa bya basaye gutumika amariogo yogotini na boigo obosaria nigo obyanyare komentekana ayega kubwatekana nomo ACC korwa ase ensemo ya Kiumbu gusekoro ase wode ya Kiumbu gutoka menyari bari chache county ya Kisii nigo ariko yakwana yaiga ase barasa AM yo yanyarite gukorekana so mochie Kiumbu litukore igoro nekira bono anyarite kuba basemia abamenyi bechinsemecho ase anamono abasaye nekero akugikiria bikorwa byo tumeki wa mariogo yogotindi buna bono enyasore na boigo amaro atanjiri nekero ababolire banyare gwesonania asemero byo inde emea yura nyare kubakonya ase amatuko are bosio kaukwana na yanda mange monjo muliria ase oroboti rokubwatia.
Tumesikia uhalifu mingi nafanyika hapa, si ni ukweli? Kama mtu unakuja kwa soko unaweka mpaka pombe, si unafaa kutolewa hapo? Kwa hivyo kama komiti ya market, sub county and the OCS, tutakuwa na mkutano na wao. Mtu akifanya makosa anatolewa. Kuna chang'aa iko pande ile ya town ya chini, si ni ukweli? Na mnajua wenye wanauza. Kwa nini msikuje na ofisi yangu iko hapa na ya chief na ya OCS? Si mnatuambia? Kwa hivyo wenye wanafanya hiyo kazi wajue tumejua na tutahakikisha utumizi wa bangi. Utumizi wa si hapa ndio inakuwaga kikao yao hapa, si ndio? Kwa hivyo hivi OCS umejua kikao ni wapi? Hapa ndio kikao ya watu wa bangi kutumia. Na tumesema lazima tupigane na bangi na pombe haramu. Hiyo ndio inaharibu watoto wetu. Kama sasa ukiambia mtoto abebe gunia moja anashindwa. Kwa hivyo tutakaa kama wazazi tukiona wanatumia, lazima tuhakikishe tunapigana na hiyo bangi, tuhakikishe haiko hapa kabisa. Wamama wa soko kutumia lugha chafu, hiyo ndio wanafanya siku hizi. Kuna ile kesi yenye ilifanyika hapa, ule mama aligonga mwingine, ilishia wapi? Mahali pabaya. Kwa hivyo tutakubali kama wewe ni mama unakuja kwa soko unatumia lugha chafu, unachapana na wenzako, haujui kuishi vizuri na wengine. Kwa hivyo tutakubali. That is one yenye tutaweka pia hapo kwa komiti ya market. Ukipatikana unatumia lugha chafu unatolewa kwa soko. Kuna hao watoto pia wenye wako na umri ya between 15 to 18 pia wanauza hapa kwa soko. Hiyo inaruhusika? Si tunaona? Wewe mzazi unaacha mtoto anauza hapa, wewe unaenda shughuli zako. Huyo mtoto umempa kazi yenye hafai kufanya. Tuko na TVET zenye ziko hapa karibu. Tuko na Amasago. Ni ukweli? Tuhakikishe watoto tumewaweka kwa shule kama hizi zenye ziko karibu, waweze kutusaidia hapo mbeleni. Pande ile ya chini kuna watoto wanatumia hii karata. Ni karata inachezwa sana. Watoto wapi pesa? Wanaiba nini? Wanaiba kuku, wanakuja wanauza. Wanaiba scraps, wanakuja wanauza. Wanaenda kuchezea naye kamari. Si ni ukweli? Kwa hivyo sisi tunataka watu wote wenye wanapeana zile nyumba zenye ziko huko, wabadilishe hiyo biashara. Hatutaenda kuangalia hawa watoto wakienda kucheza huko. Kwa hivyo hiyo imefall under the landlord. Mashamba imekuwa kidogo huku Kisii. Kila mtu anataka kuua mwingine achukue hiyo shamba. Si ni ukweli? Kwa hivyo mambo ya mashamba tunawahimiza tufanye succession. Na kuna ile wakati county ilikuja na kuwafundisha hapa mambo ya succession. Si mlifundishwa? Kwa hivyo kama wewe unajua shamba bado hamjafanyia succession, this is the high time mwanze kufanya succession. Hiyo ndio itatusaidia. Tuliangalia tukaona prisons, a high percent, 98% ya wenye wako prison ni cases za mada za shamba.
tigana nayo mwancho murigirire bikorwa bya banyanyimbo kutumika chinguru gwetania kerengo nigo bono bigendete kugikirwa kurwa ase chinsemo na boigo Father Bernard umanyekanete no Father Bernard Nyangeri kurwa ase parish ya Rangenyome county ya Nyamira nigo bono nere esokire na kugikiria ebikorwa ebyo na boigo nekero akuburia nonya bali baokora ukurubikana aiga asense ya Kenya banyare gukora ukurubikana ko botoro kurinde niko aborire bunanere biya abakenya bonsi banyare kubwatia amachiko umuseketo Fatgad Gisemba nanyare totwariganiria robotero asinchira ekubwatia
ebikorwa by'abanyanyimbo gutumya chinguru maminja yerichiko ase okurumbikana kwa bantu nigo kugenderete kugikirwa kurwa ase chinsemo ao
abana bakibakurubikana ande onse no Nairobi no engusigaiga batasarikende batige barubikana yakwa ni yaki yabo asa abana baraswa eserikali nyagosa eiro echukumu emanyobo baene bwabo
ebijana ebikwana mana mbibwate right chichani siech naende kichiko boria karo kurigereria nekene karo kagero muntu itiru muntu yo gaitwa na baskali kagero nye eoda yarenge no muntu abwatu are tu police tainga are kole tu police aitwe are kole tu police ekina kia ekigambwe
tali buya onde bwensi gokwa okoba yekera Rusia somo noye osasanga kebirengererio wetera sikinjira ao
kurase county ya Nyamira umusasiroti omanene bwe parish ya Rangenyo Father Bernard Nyangeri uboririe baria bakurumbikana babe abatoereru batige chibura buru
ababono tokurumbikana koro kyoboro tobwate meyaito na bali bande bagusanga na mwana maneke goliegeke ababono abande bakuru kwa Gen Z ekegolieke ntogwenete tunyolenga ntobwato busibole bogo kwane kitotagete nyenkera toyiwete na kumanyia abandi muna toyiwete lakini busibole mboyo botabwati kimbebe
igo akwanire ayaiga kubwatekana no gukwa kwa Albert Ojwang no kuraswa kwa monjuriria Boniface Mwangi Kariuki
wono okuwo Ojwang nje bunando jenga umuiko yeto kwa abantu murembe mbaka litukuliria aba muiti baye baranyorekana ya abanyanyimba banene bonsi bako biserera manganaye barahumbali wocha kwakani mbabugati bana mbabugati family bebira mali kama chenu ali abantu bali bamwegenda sawa teba asegeta bugyo kunganya 2 verse ya 5 ngote beri ntinya sawa monne bwelise emiliyawo onsa simbenke bweka lakini ndo kwenda isiko yawo wakwenda isiko yawo inyero buna inche nigo nko abana egesusuro okoba yama mocho yabayibuli babo goikeki yareki ya 3 nonyine giyakane
umusasiroti Bernard Nyangeri boigo boririe serikali kwa abasae abaiga chinguru erio wasiori amanganaria abisekanete ya serikali
kali monoko nyaraba kumainerere igo bagosoka isiko keri barore barera buna bayiwete bono batebi ngaremereri amangana na chawe buya mangana ina bara beta buya boneke golieke manyeke neke goliki abantu basomete babwato manyo bonene gweta so bale kwa igu busubole igo bwale gocha batokonya mono okobango kutokonya balingi kugenda bukime mono yamangana ali bisirero
hinko ripotera getembe kurase parish eyeiga ya Rangenyo egotoka ewodi ya Nyamaya ebunge ya West Mugirango county ya Nyamira Fatgad ese
na gutigara senganeyo nigo bono ekatia barai bagenderete kugigeria enchira abanyanyimbo babere bagutumeka achinguru na boigo igatia abo ngamuno mugavana bwe county ya Makueni Umoske Mutula Kilonzo Junior na boigo tubwate oyore omojumbe okiharu ime county ya Kiambu Umoske Ndindi Nyoro na boigo negatia barai pande abange.
I have asked that IPOA should quickly finish their investigations. We could see clearly that the people who took, for example, Ojwang to Mbagathi were making phone calls. Who were they calling? We know that somebody called alarm. Who was he speaking to? Somebody deleted the footage. What footage was it? Somebody sent officers to Homa Bay. Which officers are those? Somebody interviewed a gentleman called Kennedy. Who interviewed those officers? What were they looking for? But more importantly, what is this? That the security operators were so afraid of that they could commit such a heinous crime. In a proper state, the DIG, the IG and his juniors should have gone home.
Our police officers, can we stop using excess force on civilians who are not even armed? It is very unfortunate that young man Boniface Kariuki ni wa hapa Murang'a County. We want to condemn that act and we want to request the IG of police hakikishe kwamba huyo kijana, huyo askari amepelekwa kotini na amepata mashtaka yake.
Kwa sababu kama angekuwa confronted, hata sisi wanadamu tungeelewa, lakini vile alipiga huyo kijana risasi ilikuwa tu kimakusudi. Hata huyu mtu anaweza onekana ni mtu ambaye anataka kuharibia serikali katika hali ile ya kazi yenye inafanyika kwa serikali. Lakini kwa hivyo tunaomba serikali imepata jina baya sana kuanzia kitendo ambacho kilifanyika cha Ojwang, hii imefanyika jana ya Kariuki.
You must respect the lives of Kenyans. And the work of government is to protect the lives of Kenyans. It is not to harm Kenyans. Kwa hivyo tafadhali, all the decision makers in this country, lazima muwajibike. And if the kitchen is too hot, you do not want Kenyans to ask you questions, please, fuga virango kwenda nyumbani.
Kusikabusio ni gobono murai wense Mosque William Ruto nere anyare koralia munanonya nere tamanyereti gose nachikoirana ase ntunda ya kabere korende agoteba simu yake yiga 5 are abisi nigo arachikonekia ere ne serikali yae yanyari wikirania chira chiri abakenya abalite nagoteba echitari chingagi cyo gutwara ebitamero binde byonsi.
I have no intention whatsoever on escaping any of the commitments we made. We intend to keep them because that is how we are going to transform Kenya. That's how we are going to transform this nation. And I am committed 100% to the transformation of this nation. And I want to persuade you as my team, the government of Kenya team, for us to know that there is no two ways about this. It has to be done because Kenya has to change. We have been timid about what needs to be done in Kenya. I have even had occasion people telling me, oh, you know, you have picked up too many things. You know, especially the difficult ones, you would have waited for your second term. Right? And then you ask yourself, why waste the nation's time waiting for a second term merely because you are working on difficult things? Why don't you finish the difficult things now? You know, if there is a second term, there is plenty of things to be done. And if it can be done in 5 years, why do you want to do it in 10 years?
Kawukwana na inde eritukore igoro nigo murai wense anyarire koraria gose anyarite gukwanira igati yebitambukiro biria serikali ya anyarire kwimbukia elio gukinia wizara yechisemi ase ense ya Kenya na nekero anyarite kubora unakera omwana ugukina gose orase skuru ense ya Kenya ase amatukaiga na bwenete konyora hachisemi chabena na boigo ase rigorire ense.
We made a commitment that we were going to hire 116,000 teachers to close the gap of teaching. So far, by January next year, we will have hired 100,000. Already 76,000 have been hired. And we are focused on making sure that the majority of these teachers go to schools that today have fewer teachers. You may want to know this, that we have an education system that is very unequal. We have schools that have 2-3 teachers. We have schools that don't have a laboratory. We have schools that there are no adequate classrooms. And so it was necessary for us to intervene. So we've hired more teachers. We've built 23,000 new classrooms, 16,000 by the national government, 7,000 with our partners under CDF. We have streamlined the competence-based curriculum, working with the stakeholders. We went out to listen to Kenyans on how they wanted this to be, and we have now completed, and now it is no longer competence-based curriculum, it is now competence-based education and training. We have since changed the funding model. Rather than focusing on the university, we are now focusing on the student. So now we have a student-centered funding model that makes sure that every child in Kenya is treated fairly. And those who come from backgrounds that cannot support their education, they get affirmative action. And that is why we have students from poor families today under the new funding model who will get up to 90% government scholarship, so that no child in Kenya is left behind.
Na nekiro ababunge bakenderete kwaenana ebirengerero byabo igoro ye budget y'omwaka oyo iga 2025 kuchase omwaka 2026 nigo bono banyarire kubora buna chibesa echo banyarite kubeka chigoso ase county echo chigo ikera chibesa chire chibillion echiminye na isano nigo bono banyarire kwemurungania na goteba nigo amagenero ase inse serikali ye county agenderete gotongora aiga ase inse ya Kenya nekiro bakuburia abagavana mbabwenete koira ribagaria mene na kwenekia buna chibese icho banyare gochitumika na kwena na obukorerio bia gochase abakenya.
But Speaker, even as we get to this point every time, because it's now becoming a norm that year in, year out, there is an the county governments are allocated some substantial amount of money for development. And of course, at the end of it all, we of course get to this level of engagement and everything between these two houses. With the way the Senate defends, Honorable Speaker, with the way the Senate defends this allocation or the division of revenue bill, and even the way they push for higher allocation to the counties, I wish the same vigor was used to follow the money and see what it does in the counties, Honorable Speaker. Because it is very unfortunate, extremely unfortunate, and we really must remind them every time that over 10 years post devolution, Honorable Speaker, we really haven't reached to the level where the drafters of the constitution envisioned us to reach, Honorable Speaker.
Kwa hiyo kitu ambacho nahitaji kutoka kwa magavana ni kuhakikisha kuwa huduma na hata zile barabara, manake kutoka 405 billion tumeweza kusukuma, tumefika 415 billion, na kisha kuna bilioni 55 ile ambayo ilikuwa upande wa barabara, kuna bilioni 10 ambayo ni equalization fund. Hizi pesa zote katika zile ambazo walikuwa wametaka bilioni 450 hata zimeongezeka, zimefika kama bilioni 485. Kwa hiyo kitu ambacho tunataka county government, muhakikishe kuwa huduma, madawa yawe ndani ya hospitali. Hatutaki kuona mgonjwa anaingia, mama anajifungua, mtoto analipishwa, mama analipishwa, inakuwa ni wizi, Mheshimiwa Spika, ama ni dhulma.
When you look at the county governments, first of all you ask yourself, and I want to thank Baba because he pleaded and he said, we give the county governments 450. We have gone 70 plus equalization fund. For the first time, CS body will be able to ensure we are getting the equalization fund. But then now the question comes to, how are we going to use these resources? The money we have sent to build growth, to build the markets that are coming in, to build the micro entrepreneurs, to build the markets that are coming in, to build the micro entrepreneurs, the small medium is gone, and the governor will decide, Mr. Speaker, what he wants to pay, what he doesn't want to pay.
If there is one bill that I am very happy today to discuss, and I hope that this House will be able to pass this bill as fast as possible, is this county public finance bill of number 39. Because for sure, most of the MCAs, we have been complaining here how most counties are not doing their roads. Most people are complaining because most roads are not being done. If you go to the county, to the constituency right now, every member of parliament is being told, kindly make this road, make that road. It is because most of these governors are not doing their job, and the MCAs are not able to be accountable because they're either scared of the governor, or they are scared the governor will not be able to do development in their area.
Mancha morigire abona ngukora nsemo yekionga chinsa ikomena ibere chabona wambe kore ne kirongo rigire iga Teresa Kemunta konte banga kora chinsemo chiri cha akaratina akoborenga wakire buya ase studio mbia mona sana na toto la kisia wote banansi ongiri kora chinsemo cha kanyimbo niko ndani na oposori bwe susu kuna botambe korona Koru City Salams Club na Peter Omari akote bakora sugutanya mache na indakote good morning to you. Eric Shares Eriko akote bukura taracha Nyakeburu village wakire buya mienda Sam kuro achize mcha taracha kukwira naiga no tumanye Victor Mondo mienda neragote banga kuro Kilimani nchitangete buya kabisa kuika hoteli ya Buga village Womondo. Hoteli ya Buga village Womondo tuned in ime yomorobelio na boigo ne timu yae intingu kigima Eriko Soro na botambe kora chinse mocha ritaro kiumbwa kote wabwakire bia Rogers Nyariki kora Amsterdam Netherlands watching Getembe TV News bia mono sana na Christopher Tandi ne rawote banga koroborangi Kenyambi no murugio Lydia Kirbo hadi tamati. Have a good day to bana basira temo ke konge korado akatare mbia mono sana sebonsi bachakire dituko na ime ya Getembe TV mbia mono sana na ase ensemo wetira SMS ni gondoche Wilfred akote bokoro chinse mocha abonjari akote good morning. Kuboringa kana I wish you a happy weekend. Thank you. Dhoni mapema tuko na siku mzima but thank you ekiagera taribonsi wako kanirwa weekend ngiye gumancho murigerera fonsi fari bagende tusanga ime morobire na boko sona chinse mochiri cha YouTube asako tonyora munda Getembe TV chinse mocha Facebook Getembe TV ekirongo kuboria aria YouTube kendera gukuna ekengerekeri kose go subscribe erinde kwanyora emirobire buneye neyende menge na boy gukoretera chi notification ekero umorobire uri bwanjite ochakire igompancho murigerera kendera utigara ime morobire korende asege keke ndigo tuchikoirana nensemo yechigazeti cheritko oriarero.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya Nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere engale yuerengia na boigo ekogokie liso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team ya Tembo abo bago kolemirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende gensi uraganie bago tebereria company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au unamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asiko babwate Dumrang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala buna bonelia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na boigo na Green obutambe bwa mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gokwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu chuligo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Salva Kiir ni nyagitari yekerero asumu cyubusungu ensema ya mwembe mbarbare nigekomo SDA asepare kurobusungu guce Kilgoris nigekurwa obugwenia asenchira yekerero asugutumia chimashine chekerero abwasibwa tabanyagitari bobwate obumanyi bwigoromono mbobwate inpatient gosechi ward na boigo outpatient abasaba roire bakubwenigwa na koira na gochianka mbobwate maternity yekerero yubwate chimashine chekerero laboratory yekerero gose ase okorengwa kwibirengo bigoro ekerengo kyobo chinu nigo kirigoro asinya gitari ekobwanya gitari ndionsi asorgongoro iga boigombo bwate ensemo yokomana gose modern theater ensemo yukulingoria nobuwenia bwa maisa gose optical department abasibo bwate boigo eduka yibirore ase ebigori byonsi etani abu mbobwate boigo ensemo ya maino gose dental section yebwate chimashine ichekerero yobwate boigo pharmacy gose duka ya mariogo yebwate amma riogo onsi pi aliuraganiriwe gwetania onsi liguriryabo nelianse pi ngwanchira bale umurobelio osha gose bale bwate umurobelio osha naboigo nkurike bale umurobelio osha utari gwakanira kinde gyonsi asamange bakresimia se namba 0799747414 Salva Kiir Hospital afeyao nomogoko ito inchuo bono
ne nogani gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media chake tembe nubwate misangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chipafde misangirikano yechi kanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyomo inyangi gusuko kwa kuyo mino imejega au bunabono housewarming parties engagement parties igatie binde bige bono Getembe Television Network nero ego kwayiga asiri golidio gotugutera ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba manyi baitabo bare nobo manyi wiguro igeti byetibwate signal ere enkongo yigwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganitie omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge wigwitira semeria WhatsApp wosigu yakisi migwitira namba 0741499726
Yobongoli umwanone kirijane
Stemo Nugabest ninya gitari ekukurwaria asechinchira chikero kurwa chinsi cha Michael nigo bakurwa obubwenya bwabene asekera omurwaire abo asekera bakurwari with a lot of privacy okubwenigwa ayebweka asibitanda byabo bibwate obubwenya bwabene mbari gutomeka ntetere gustarko beto sindane yira kubekere chemical ndiyonsi asomobere igwa nigo bakubwenya amarwire bunabono egetekyo mugongo nabo yuko kwirania amugabya abanyagitari babo nigo bwate obumanyi bwebirengo byechinse ecya Michael ekero bakurwa obubwenye bwabo nigo bakora n'ubwanchani obonene namaguri yabo nigo ari ayanse monokigima bagotoka ase nyumba ya Umoja Complex third floor eyo yarenge Family Bank enkro yere angene Cooperative Bank asamange bakeresimya sinamba 0741903162 0758066164
Inche asamarieta ngoroko Agnes Mora omonyagitari omonene Ostemo Nugabest nkoirali bageri mwensi abagusi kubaligania ase Stemo Nugabest aiga Stemo Nugabest etokobwenia ase gotumia chi machine chekerero igo bali mwensi mwachandikira sama rwaire ao twabaliganiri tobae obobwenia bwekerero inchu mwensi togokera obobweni bwaito aiga Stemo Nugabest biyamon
ajirira gocha Stemo Nugabest abo ase uranyore obokoreri bwigoromono
gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja etibia wanje Getembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimero ya Getembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuri miyensi ya Kenya ili ya Tanzania Uganda Malawi wikanonya Zambia egolere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chemereka je Christmas samo no guchingira ku mwaka muya iliwego kinemero yetu inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Getembe Television Network ekeonga kia momogusi
Gotera chinko chinkureta elioki waitiro ne chingake gutumeka chinko chinyinga asumuriro omusinine boygo byaitiro ne chingake bono Alpha Rise Brackets na lyuri chiburiao ase okoroisia endagera na boygo gwata asibigori byonsi ni chiamate chonsi Alpha Rise na makara ao nigo arosirie ne teknolojia yekerero tabuatirioki no nyenerika agutumeka kemono nende akoira egekakuya umuriro ene kebemberi digo liriae neligia amakara ega nigo agokiania kuna chukwemete yeito wose deforestation boigo obuyabono nobo ogokiania gokonyora kwendwali ya kansa Alpha Rise Brackets na bogutumeka ase chioteri chinyagitari chinka chiskuru na boigo nabugusamba inyama tutarere asumu chibusungu navuga tuwakere isimi ase namba 0111502030 Alpha Rise Brackets naye tuanchete
Twatire kumama ine twatire
eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo iyo korose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentra nigwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri lyabantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani gwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eri bwenyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chebiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene eduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera se namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone kisimiki Uhuru nabwata. Amone kisimiki Uhuru nabwata. Amona mabaki.
Boy Jua Kali Center neduka egokoneria ebitamba byokorosia chisovaset ebirogo bye chisovaset begomba bwate chikapet chisanduki cy'abana bagucira eskuru na boygo cyo kubekera chianga nigo babwate emeito yebirengo ao kurwa eri abana bagucira eskuru amarangeti ebitamba byokwara na kurarira babwate chichiko chiviber cyo koroseria ebirogo na boygo chips chikoros chipillowcase ekyo ogorarira
Gagi omwana yo boy tikanda ndango ichibesa ntabwate muko lakini naikire taracha seito nanyorire mwapo ichi wakali hai bono ichibesa nkwenda mpulingi go pulingi emeito ya bana bakuchere sukuru emeito yo konyora bana chisare kwara zangu ra duniani kaki oroje baka nabwate baka ebinto mbire bakoro kwa chiferi beti chikorozi ebirogo diechigari hai kaki aba kusiba sibinga imore kaki imore hai inju kaki mwenzi tabatari ninju goja moye binto kuruga mwapo ichi wakali hili omuganga James Yongoroko kaki
mbabwate chitandarwa cyo korosia ebirugo by'ekigari nabo igo ebirugo bya leather gusechi sofa set cya leather gwitania bo nigo kubanyora babwate chi velvet echo oranyare koroseria ebirugo byao gusekende gyonsi origeti korosia nebintu nebyo mbabwate cha ase ebirengo ao manyiga nonyane chitandarwa cyo korosia chihema mbabwate kaibagotoka nigo bagotoka ange ne hotel ya Kisii Hotel katikati yo musikiti odaraja mbili na Uhuru Superstores barabari na Kisii Hotel gutaka kumanya bange na kugura kindi gyonsi bakere ase enamba 0720688220 Boy Jua Kali Center inkyukanyete utaragura ebintu bya okuruoro
njempo Jua Kali Store na bariga ni mwesto kole biasara sobwamo ingotoka opposite Kisii Hotel na bariga ni mwesto
Gagi genda mwapoi gagi nyasaye baba boli Jua Kali gagi egotoka alinsa tara chambini gagi ligere libudango kuanete omusio mubihili gagi nariri goli kwa sarense ebintu nago lire gagi Boy Jua Kali hai hili gagi hili ngogongonya musio mubihili kuri tibintu munimamba
nigo bakwigura amatukonsi kuri nderi tukuri sabato tibari kwigura
Wasaibiki alikia makiaya Vono Link Up Show ni kuja kulijwe mbao kigima kira litukuli Jumatatu weke Ijumaa kuchakira chinse sano nebere chama baso wika chinse kumigoro umrena nera Wizard Crown Vakubuatrina na DJ Topsha on ones and twos Ilwakongrede muziki Makwa showbiz Trending issues Namangnande Yekielekea makiaya Link Up Show Link Up na sisi Kurwa sasama wika ikomigro Wizard Crown na DJ Topsha Imehi ya Getembe FM 102.7
ine kwabeire gukorera asenga kintambe guse niko kwarwalire na gusalia indibo enyinge bono tokwa omoyo inyagitari ya Walfit Health Centers nero lichibuliao nyuranga nonyorobu weniabwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukali amaruire yenda amaruire yomogongo na yande amange.
We call your prostate. No borwere bwasumbuira abagaka sana bwe sukari, what you call the genesis of diabetes. Ngaki borwere bwe sukari bo somo bero goimbe hypertension no borwere kramanyinga kogende bore somo be Walfit itosomete chinchereza tochokorwa ya marwaire enchede ntangani itosomete ngenduga conventional medicine, yani unyagitari obwa kawaida itosomete ngenduga nutritional medicine. Nutritional medicine na marioga aliakuruese endagera ya ito ya kawaida. Kwa mfano we have amino acids, ntubwate fatty acids, ntubwate vitamins na kadhalika. Bigo tumeka esokorwa ya marwaire nchende ya gata tosomerete neka togutumia international herbal medicine togutumia marioga akuruese mete twarwa ya marwaire. Igao muchito bosongo monene ntobwate clinic yeito ase nyumba ya Uhuru Plaza noerega iga marikiti guys wako ninyama kwali na iguru wacho wake goroba ya gatatu room 307A ntobwate branch mu Eldoret ase nyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2.
Walfit Health Centers umusani ogo asamarwaire minyoka.
Endelea kufurahia na Star Times. Discover your love language on our amazing channels all month long to enjoy intriguing telenovelas from all over the world daily. Renew your subscription today and endelea kufurahia na Star Times. Watch Filipino melodrama The Fake Life.
We really need to focus on this mission.
Get charmed with our Indian drama Soulmates and Turkish drama Lost in Love. You can also catch fresh episodes of Stepmom on Rebo TV Plus every day at 8 p.m. Renew your subscription today and endelea kufurahia na Star Times. Buy the DTT decoder for only 1,199 shillings and top up 500 shillings to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the classic bouquet. You can also link your decoder to the Star Times on app to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the go anytime, anywhere. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero ili wimanyibu na mangana watika kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV nigo toko kora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne vipindi bya Gatembe ao ngakiende yonse inyuranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video chito boigo shana basani amune amate ejo baigokie baimanye na wesemia tubase kweba turn on a notification bell yani ekengere ejo onyari kobagoko yanyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Gatembe Television Network ekenakyo ekeunga kia mwamogusie. ekero yekire eikendi agotekwa buna chikendi chinde uboita bogotegere radio nubwansu bukoigwa iwe buna naore
mese malonga
rumba na mashabik numurubiryo okoretwa semule nere Polycarp ukara uchakira chinsa isaro nibire chemubaso wika chinsa ikomigoro kila lituko liye sabato ime ya 102.7 Getembe FM ekeneke onka kiama mugusie. Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokolemiremo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende kensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au unamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asimigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala buna bonelia Chaco Grey Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na boigo na Green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakiranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyumu chuyigo busongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Salvakia ni nyagitari ya kerero asumu chubusungu ensema ya mwembe mbarbare negekomo SDA asepare kurobusungu guche Kilgoris nige kurwa obugwenia asenchira ya kerero asugutumia chimashin chekerero abu asibwa tabanyagitari bubwate obumanyi bwigoromono mbabwate inpatient wasichi ward na boigo outpatient abasaba roire bakubwenigwa na koira na gochiankam mbabwate maternity ya kerero yubwate chimashin chekerero laboratory yekerero wose ase okorengwa kwibirengo bigoro ekerengo kyobo chinu nigo kirigoro asinya gitari ekobwanya gitari ndionsi asorgongoroiga boigombo bwate ensemo yokomana gose modern theater ensemo yokuringoria nobuwenia bwa maisa gose optical department abase bwate boigo eduka yibirore ase ebigori byonsi etani abu mbwate boigo ensemo ya maino kose dental section yebwate chimoshen ichekerero yobabwate boigo pharmacy kose duka ya mariogo yebwate ama riogo onse pi aliuraganirigwe gwetania onsi liguriryabo nelianse pi ngwanchira bale umoroberio osha osibali bwate umoroberio osha naboigo nkurikie bale umoroberio osha utarigwakanira kinde gyonsi asamange bakire simiase namba 0799747414 Silvacare Hospital afeyao nomogoko ito inchuo bono.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege.
Taswai asensemo hichigazete kero torenere mienda sam na boigo Emmanuel Onchiri torigerere ayo veireka wataka asetinsemo akibakire nkitogo beshanira ligoli ne Friday ekero mondaro ibwe ligoli ngakigo
value. You see, it depends on the gender. You see, when we calculate rigorium on Tomosacha, we calculate on what he wants the net worth. But when normally we come to female, we look at the morals and chiko rigori. So if your morals are questionable, you are rigori tends to.
Igaba subati rigori musubati netabi.
Yeah, sure.
Mwancho muria ligorire musubati netabi naboko nyara kusange kerengereri kya Emmanuel ekiro montare oibwe ligori oyo tepre ngaba sacha kero kene nkendo kinga kyo mubukore
ligori mateli kwa kina mangana mwanzo sana watele ndam so kitambo kena bo otero muisepe na wengi beautiful mwana yani akiongea mwana na waya alinge ngaki na bagonyora si mai bali ngakimire tu aiboli in terms of beautiful but the current konyora abantu bakube in terms of qualities ya change maybe umuntu wate osomete ibi yaini ngao utasomete ni yaini ngao in fact squeeze in terms of beautiful ile nirenze kidogo
beauty ya ile nirenze
ya kiagera maite umuntu for example somete squeeze education can sharpen somebody mama tumuntu somete kwaji wesia na bakwero sia be beautiful in fact and like naboko wa beautiful like it what any quality of it so desperate
and they yora manya stenore beautiful
yani toko ile terms yo bongo bana.
So Matilda, I wish to repeat that for men that's why you see every lady got the was shit no monto whatever sending. Why don't you find men at the way associate no monto whatever? Of course they are there, but the other way around they cover our swat na bongana what I talk about attached to someone who is financially stable, someone who has some wealth, net worth area. But even it is even biblical. A lady, the net worth, I mean the value I was saying comes from the morals. And how that person carries himself.
Voi seri gore umuntu gutwara rigore nkagirete ngabona umuntu ayiboire funo umuntu akinete nkihera
Chita be morals and ladies.
Rebo so sacha na boko toko pate nivo anyway lakini sababu sacha mara ange bakurigere buna rigori ngakiomo uko yore gusena kyo konyora kwa ekore ya na ekiro nkurigiria amangi agenderete ndoche tukana muga no ye gusengana ya Eliud Lagat ndoche gaiga ngotebere buna Lagat Conrad IPOA date. Deputy Inspector General Eliud Lagat has finally faced the Independent Policing Oversight Authority IPOA over the death of teacher and blogger Albert Ojwang nearly 2 weeks after public outrage erupted. Bono niganyale ko swa akose niganyale tego kusanga na bare abobisa kuro ase ekiombe kya IPOA. Ngana yoma itabono ndocenga I think to kwanere ogosira kwa Ojwang lakini I think sai kiro kuligeria wikega ya chire nsake ande mi ndo metento kwana na elite ko getaiga to tabana kia mutuko na ko ngena na rori bintu bya change
lakini no much as we going to change na ro chenga so far so good. I saw the cabinet secretary of interior Kipchumba Murkomen now invited us bunge and nyara ko about how far is ekinakia Albert Ojwang. I want to believe in Albert Ojwang before maybe atara tindekwa then tika justice ya nyora kanire kako tinde kwa na tinde kuna na nkorengia amanyenga onyoro bwana bwa much as ikwende kunya ko care rivereri sababu mate kerere tubona tokopoka evente biyanko bo chabiri bona biyanya ko okeri rivereri lakini renda all in all for me I think we are in the better part kwa sababu kwa kweli Lagat ya nyarako bako step aside. We have seen some actions ichichagalere the way to justice here around the corner, and of which is good. At the end of the day, yeah, even though on the wearing yachete, kimepungua, lakini iko temenetinga justice trikoba sababu kwa sababu bali ba usekanete bare in court and na ndio tunatianga we have a constitution kusiri chiko iko nyarako bali kubwatiwa kerenge tunga bwate procedure yaye and that is the procedure that is there on the ground igonga tigato gendra ko patient but at the end of the day let justice be served for Albert Ojwang na maybe Charles Ondowere ko bwate kana na alia nyatu ko baga ko banyo
na Emmanuel asinsemo yao ndoche nabo babegitega kuroche tariki isano na ibere echumotinyo yega naria nyarete kubwato kuro asenka yae chitariki isano na isoto egatoka kabwate naria nyarete gusiri ubukima bwae na ase chitariki 10 postmortem wegakoru chitariki 15 OCS Samson Talam and Constable Mkwana bakanyara ko charged separately na boigo chitariki 15 na ibere ose on 17th bono nari Eliud Lagat nera kanyara go step aside.
Okay. Asiki make again derete. Ni go okay. Yeto ya justice ngo chakolera at the end of the day. Lakini usekurigeria government ase abantu ababanene kuteba se government the likes of president, the likes of governor Nairobi Johnson Sakaja. Injira bande ategoswena na ni familia yae. Bono okay ordinary mwananchi about justice on the street, justice no quarantine on the change on the street. Lafu ziko ile bara ya the likes of Johnson Sakaja, likes of president you wete kwa mwigwete na na bene kumotomera chibe sagete. The likes of Honorable Raila Odinga I saw it.
Yes.
Na Sakaja. Bono my question is babe mwenda bantana wale for responsible for justice lakini wote baire angesa na ne familia yao use koligere sana maana yanga kuzigotubererwa baro yabo yes serikali na wate wa justice nani jamii wa matanga yawe lakini bawote wa justice in fact nene ya Ondowere the former MP
nabo bantu batebete justice
justice in fact nindo mbalo maite banya ite kuigulirwa unene yeri babe gitu wana ngindo nkumetinga ki amugano oliongo tubere noyo to wochi atambe kyagera noro cyo kurutera na kororo
yes na
but I think I want to differ kidogo na yanda differ na yale kidogo interest kira nyalekana ngomora ibu nsabu ate boja se familia ya Mwawo Albert. So I don't know why do we have an intention like ever say nere to much understand.
Yes, of course. The moment chivese chigo sona nasi sabari ya justice, okonyoranga ayemwanya bantu. Okonyora kororo biri enkorote venaki. Dalinde lionsi murai bwinsi anyway nanyorete compensation ingego kubwabo sa tigankoreki. Tigankore oyora chiro chire tigankore bintu binde birankonye. Kwarorire. Neba umoiburi umete the moment no maitenga money nero ivo yakere yani nereretete ivo Jones.
So do we want that?
Oikirama tukaya iga chinka chinyinge chitaranyora justice ngoitera singinjo yaki chibesa. Omubuko.
Albert ojwanga chandeke because justice.
Aina bogo kwana abasaina bago so street bakorokorobekana abakenya bago akekoko online kirase. Lakini the moment kwa rochenge serikali iye itafite kateba magosa akorekanire lakini nga karabo ateke kega onyara gukora ki ogendere kwirindira oruche tatu mwa Albert nka yara ruschinguru choko tebye serikali gotebose rais William Ruto nga ekwangete metengo choko bere too late ekera choko teba nga tanyore tio bwene bu mwana ekero kende nekero eniberi chibesa chiriche elire onyo no kwagacha na bakwagacha nyomba ibaro lakini anya go feel gap eli naki omwana ona enchira itetu tiale ngendonge umetena lya wansa ko raise questions atebe naki kero kende nigo justice ya nyarete nigo ntanyorete justice aso bwango ekiagera chibesa chiri nanyarete koewa ose onchi no bwa
Sam, everyone can avoid the good different jackets. So I accept that. I then don't get it. They then not go is one at it. But not cover in any problem. The part of it. I'm not going to do the ones where which we are so high. You know, whatever.
You know, yeah, it's true by the way. Mike, so let me tell you, on our daily basis we need money. To ajira say maybe or say and when something comes whatever is an issue ever say watch kwana rango muntu wa carry nkora yao asenga njonga ever say so lakini nje according to my interpretation I don't know can I say according to my own wisdom
your opinion
but I like that wisdom so for me nje ever say for me I feel like Keria it was just condoning tamata betinga bonte to tigira mangana justice gaiga to ya gendra bono bwate bese justice na gendra ta se court igo yani igo ya betenga ayana matangaro nanda gendrete bogi mambore bogenda to ko gendra bo mwana no na ne familia bo Albert bill sinchiro chibwente wakan
yes
bata to mwa Albert ta ko gende duka yo monto ga ali so bali homa bay matenju matinta to mwa Albert bono ngechumbi was whether you are who you are you must pay bills ta ko enda gari kusime abantu monas bali bali ngikagari bako bakutese the whole night you know kesha uneko bandambanya olecha to kwa ndo cha ko enda sa mabera kwanu watawe ngabono ngamabera inchuma tatu mwa Albert mwa oya mabera bills are there to be paid we kusine ko guru kusikere ngento nevers so supporting the family was an issue of the young watch message. Koto and to find out justice. At least you can cater for yourself because this moment mbako nyarako koramere mendeons. Aba nyakenyo na baru ngoro bare mbachi baikasigete. Now that it seems singer eke kwendeke amatanga na bara ireka because into what some cases in court. At least na baba se tonya ko
mienda yes
abantu baragira abantu banyora machi bako
mienda bono yantu bwate omungu anonyarete gwakwa research so bogatagati bo mucho Nairobi kuruko karaoke nande kiro kurigera boniga abasae anamuno ase amangana ali agendete go trend sai igento bagote bankeri na kiri tukuri rero babekichi mask ninjiremo yokorokia maskani uchaso mungwano yoiga ugendete kuranira obongima bwaye asenya gitari lakini kwa munye kweboria boniga ba shift umete sai attention yaba Kenya yachirarari asemo ndamo yoiga yes Boniface inkiaringi wakero risas boniga nera aba Kenya bange bakuboli naki abanyanyimbo ngo ikirariri barakorengane yiga nande okay tari asobobe nande nana alitaka gotena ki mambina wambiende ebintu ebingaompigenda te gukorekana unaboniga umanyete asense mo ya siasa Dr. Fred Matiang'i ikirensi ya Kenya umete in Kenya you expect anything napoko nyoranga attention yaba Kenya yonsi ya bere ya shift rukuchasanga hono ntebi ekero ekina bunekiga kya karaoke nande kego chigo chakwa abanyimbo bali gwigotenga babere babekiro byara bono amuganande anyale gukorekana siasa entindi enyale gusonana orocheka ekiaye ujwange kego chakwa
and again let me tell you
orocho ngondo were sai ori no mojumbe sai weto ndinaro kana story ai inkera ororo lakini bono
public domain
yes ekina kero kinkera
that is how we shift attention yani we tend to go kwanira mono in public domain like now yesterday night Dr. Fred Matiang'i we are going to shift maybe our attention which I say Dr. Fred Matiang'i but rende again to twende ko manyoma tegeragina ebi name now we ko gendra ne touch ko in public domain lakini
nande baka bichigo take longer
and again about Boniface if we go and honor Boniface or Europe on chief face mask let me tell you Matilda when Gen Z was here abantu bande bonse bakwenda samandamano fakto konyora babo attention imbe bali na abana mamu bari chi street bakone chianga mitumba bakone ibikoro bakone chinya babo atikoga nikobe uchigo sasa usaliye niwe abantu bali babo chiba employed by some people wounds bagoja basabotage gusibatema ko gusalia mandamano basalie ebinto egerero kanenga abantu ababwata mandamano na batabwate ubugani kurukuya that's now where the point is lakini bantu bande bonse bakagenda samandamano ya amani mbere ko batwara intention imbe intention imbe gocha abantu mbere bagochi bachi bagombere bigo chibiucha byacha byasalie nibo yabantu yageranga mandamano yakoraki abamabe rero we are going in honor of Boniface Mwangi to be chief face mask ego sabantu beke gose wali bakwenda se okurobeka no babeke chief face mask
yes
nande gali konyororenga there's something that will come up and akomonto nando umire nande turaenda kurashurikira oyo nando uchire nando umire litukiro so it is all about we have date 25 I think you know Nkere very famous singer it's kind of a holiday or whatever we shall be having something to honor the Gen Z or whatever something must come up so and again take care of bocha taringa abantu bali baenda sokolo kana babo atokoganyoko ukoganyoko be watch from these goons bawocha basalia mandamano ayarange evento kyaro kana kobege nteke but all in all we have a country na country ili chikotori na into when you come in fact to East Africa and the whole of Africa we have a constitution admired by other countries in Africa ntobwata constitution
lakini constitution bono itari okay imani constitution yararoro ebitabu yani ase mitandao na buko ya access and all lakini kirogo so ase ground kanyaranga eshida ni raroro yes onchiri ekero okurigereria ngane yiga bono yabo korebo abanyanyimbo Gen Z bonsi orocherero bagotebanga net mask bakobeka weekend batagete bae lituko lya Jumanne banyarego lituko lya Jumanne ose Jumatano banyarego esokya nabo yukubalira abamwe abo bali basiretia magimasi omwako eta
okay we demonstrate it is a constitutional right though okay what we fear despite no constitutional right is again don't care some work key we went out despite I was not there to demonstrate for Albert as a result of that Albert umujamure kwa face mask alakulisa kwa then rero na libali on the chrome wake mask.
In honor of Boniface.
So, yeah, in honor of the Boniface. So today, Nande to the Akina way can they have I don't know then.
Yeah, sure.
And then they to the on the street or in honor
of that person. So
Ekene kere continue. Kere bune continuous continuity.
No.
Yes.
Because people went to honor Albert Ojwang.
Yeah.
Now in the honoring of Albert Ojwang, we found another new case. Now we
Karaoke.
want to honor Boniface.
Karaoke.
Can we have today, let's not honor anyone Ngaki?
Lakini they get important Ngaki. This onye back on the streets in back or any harm basa weekend. It is good. As a constitutional right.
If it's a mask day, abantu beke in honor of Boniface. Una navetali. Wale watu wananga issue. Mbabu ati mocha ndoto.
Wana shida nere.
Only that there are some people who come niembe. Wana we niembe na wao chwale ta mwana ya kariki. Yaro kana kwa chaotic, and that is done. Ko mekia mandamana ayaba mabe. Abaige bako andamana barakanenga. You see ni numwagere binde bya koreki. I want to believe nga umuntu ndebonse kwenda samanga amandamana nga ni right ya yakori.
Onchiri ekero chengali tuko riokopeka che mask engane yega ne ekero kurige gwikira se ense ya Kenya yekire boniga bado aba Kenya mbagende babike che mask batare umuchio Nairobi engane yere
obvious step kwera kelingwa ndahora on the streets and kende kebe and to answer in honor bekikia so okay in fact according na nje emergency lakini ama nara manga when takorwe utatiga you I don't know those who go to streets ndiriba robacha bakora mangana usina ba
again Matilda, you remember Keromora when Sabu at Etara Muchunaro? Did you hear people complaining about the baby? Chiduganji. So onye muraibu ensoko genda etare na Nairobi okrama.
Nonye Homa Bay.
Process ya in Homa Bay.
Homa Bay abantu ba reported cases barenge more than 100. Yes.
So bari bahicha ase etare muraibu ese. Babu to kuganyo ko bigo bahicha kotegera magenda. Lakini to wale some criminals who take advantage of these situations.
Nande tutara korengane yo na iwete omonogere po serikali omoske Isaac Mwaura kakoteba bunani gobona abajumbe bobonete ko table bobanye bobonete utware emotion yo ukwanera na kiri bagarira nyare kuba created asense ya Kenya ikero aba Kenya baligetie kogenda ko irebirero bya bese serikali kusikogenda gokorobekana batu alegeti bakogenda ba demonstrate koru abatu arasare open onye bamanyanga onye nense mugete gose tote buna jivanji gardens babonete kumerana bakeri ogi gose uru gardens gose uru park bagenda aba aroro bakorukorobekana kwabo bairana asichinga ngakeretenga bana basi nabo gotwariganiria orobotiuru egera kubole bajumbe nga echinechinga kibono onye okorobekana yarorekanire nga is the way tigarinde aba Kenya abaiga banyora sare open asibatari uchikomnyakane nabantu
erinde mandamano takakorekana asekretary so closed nechipara this streets we are having. So if Mwaura proposes even we have a set of a place amandamano akorekana asichipara anya no nechipara choka our quality the quality ochimuna kusiga igachipara nchiro chitararo sigo ngairenda audacity yokorosi asabantu bakwandamana rekurwera onye bintu mbiro bonte ko chipara nchiro chimanda ko taken care of in the first place nonye before traleta sabantu bakwanda marira gusinasi chipara. We need to have chipara chiro mjini gaiga go to these places like other counties. Na se pedestrians bagotara au katakoreki au katai. Then how can you incorporate a place that amandamano abantu bakwanda marira? Where is this specific place that ko ira sabantu bakwanda? Where people meet. If you go to you take people to somewhere they are gathering violence, that is not that is a gathering, that is a
tari asogo ikaranza ate bitenga babonete ko koroseri space ko sase yagete anyara ko tebwa timaitinga ne para wose negeti lakini ate bitenga tutware open grounds ekero kurigera ne mono ime yo mochio Nairobi metera beko bakongo nande I think as per now na bukomanyanga abagenzi aba onte yora tegerere ngamba bwana tukogenda usinde getigete bagenda usenka sarani baje ko protest or bagenda usete karode te ko yale kana na bengo ike bosongo gaiga obatinga genda daraja mbili ose nchira gete abantu kero fatite ko protest I think epa gotaka guikasi tia visi chiri CBD na libako igonga amane bakwane na serikali
these countries chire developed be it UK be it USA ngai kwanya ko abantu bakwenda bekusanya singa bona ina maandamano that cannot be a
mbaso eta samaga chogete bagasoba ke swimming pool cha visi gete nchire banyar to ko invade ensenere bachite bagasoba ke swimming pool korende twari konyora mwa Isaac Mwaura oigubunare ngikwanira engane yo hana mono kuburi kwa ochase aba jumbe na boigo aba Kenya na okurubikana kope okumurembe na banyanyimbo batigo tumeka chinguru kwetania kerengo.
Let us be clear. Violence from any side is unacceptable. Our democracy gives room for dissent but no disorder and disobedience, including riots. We must resist the temptation to respond to wrongs with further wrongs. We further urge all citizens to remain calm as a government and allow the relevant institutions, IPOA, the judiciary, and parliament to conduct their investigations independently and impartially. The government calls upon political, civil society, and community leaders to promote peace, understanding, and open dialogue. The government further cautions political detractors against exploiting the situation for incitement and/or political mileage. At such a time, settling political scores at the expense of public peace is not only irresponsible, but also dangerous. True leadership demands responsibility and commitment to God and country. To this end, Parliament is encouraged to put in place an enabling legislation that safeguards the right to picket in a peaceable manner by designating public spaces for such endeavors, while ensuring that other citizens can go about their lawful business without obstruction. This is how a mature democracy balances rights with responsibilities. Let us protect the hard-won gains of our republic. Let us rise above division and recommit to the values that bind us together as one nation, under God, in the true spirit of nationhood and patriotism.
Murigire hasoro botiro tokogenda mutumukomuke elinde tonyare kogendera no morobole krangu kubulyo kende yotigara eme yo morobere wetwani yagetembe.
Ne noganye gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubate misangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chipafde misangirikano yichi kanisa baby shower anniversaries gosi ekinyuru kinyomo inyangi rusuko kwa kuyomino imijiga ao munabono housewarming parties engagement parties igatie binde bige buno Getembe television network nero ego kwayega asirigolidio gotukutera ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba manyi bitabo bare no bamanyi wiguro igeti byetibwate signal ere enkongo igwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganiti omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge wigwitira semeria WhatsApp gosiku yakisi migwitira namba 0741499726
Yokombolo mwanone kirijane
Stemo Nugabest ni nyagitari ekukurwaria asechimchira chikiro kurwa chinsi cha Michael nigo bakurwa obubwenya bwabene asekera omurwaire abo asekera bakurwaria with a lot of privacy ukubwenigwa ayebweka asibitendo byabo bibwate obubwenya bwabene mbari gutomeka ntetere gustarko beto sindane yira kubekere chemical ndiyonse asomobere igwa nigo bakubwenya amarwire bunabono egetekyo mugongo naboyiko kwirania amaugabya abanyagitari babo nigo babwate obumanyi bwebirengo byechinse echa Michael ekero bakurwa obubwenye bwabo nigo bakora n'ubwanchani obonene n'amaguri yabo nigo ari ayanse monokigima bagutoka ase nyumba ya Umoja Complex third floor eyo yaringi Family Bank enkuru yere angene Cooperative Bank asamange bakira simyasi namba 0741 903162 0758066164.
Inche asamarieta ngoroku Agnes Mora omunyagitari omonene Ostemo Nuga Best nkoirali bageri mwensi abagusi kubaligania ase Stemo Nuga Best aiga Stemo Nuga Best etokobwenia ase gotumia chi machine chekerero igo bali mwensi mwachandikira asamarwaire ao twabaliganiri tobae obobwenia bwekerero inchu mwensi tobokera obobweni bwaito aiga Stemo Nuga Best biyamon
ajirire gucha Stemo Nuga Best abo ase uranyore obukoreri bwigoro mono.
Gusie bono na bukwegokia aso gusonja etv ya uwanje tiaga Temba Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimirulu ao ya Temba Television Network ayene amatiao kuri miensi ya Kenya, ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, wikanonya Zambia egulire edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chimereka je Christmas amono guchingira ku mwaka muya iduwego kinimirulu yetu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Gatembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Gatembe Television Network ekeunga kia momogusi.
Gutera chinko chinkureta elioki waitero ne chingake gutumeka chinko chinyinga asumuriro omusinine boyko byaitero ne chingake bono Alpha Rise Briquettes na lyuri chiburiao ase okoroisia endagera na boygo gwata asibigori byonsi ni chiamate chonsi Alpha Rise na makara ao nigo arosirie ne teknolojia yekerero tabuatirioki no nyenerika agutumeka kemono nende akoira egeka kujya umuriro ene kebemberi biko liriae neligia amakara ega nigo agokeania kuna chukwemete yeito wose deforestation boigo obuyabono nobo ogokeania gokonyora kwendwali ya kansa Alpha Rise Briquettes na bogutumeka ase chioteri chinyakitari chinka chiskuru na boigo nabugusamba inyama tutarere asumu chibusungu na bugutwakere isimi ase namba 0111502030 Alpha Rise Briquettes naye twanchete.
Eduka ya womo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo yokorose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isia ebintu buriya bikomenya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabono babwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani bwochoganiri erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yenyora bwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi abwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorolekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumucho yigo musongo eyuerangene eduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamage bakere simbwe traseti namba chabo 0111161500 Oru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Boy Juakali Center neduka egokoneria ebitamba byokorosia echisovaset ebirugo byechisovaset begomba bwate chikapet chisanduki cy'abana bagukira eskuru nabo igoye cyo kubekera chianga nigo babwate emeito yebirengo ao kurwa eri abana bagukira eskuru amarangeti ebitamba byokwara na kurarira babwate chichiko chiviber cyo koroseria ebirugo nabo igo chips chikoros chipillowcase echo ogorarira
Gagi. Omwana yo boy, tikanda ngo ichibeza ntabwate muko, lakini naikire taracha seito, nanyorere mwapo ichi wakali. Hai, bono ichibeza nkwenda mpulingi go pulingi. Emeito ya bana bakuchere sukuru. Emeito yo konyora bana jisare. Kwa razangu ra duniani kaki oroje baka nabwate baka ebinto mbire bakoro kwa chiferi veti. Chikorozi ebirogo biechigari. Hai! Kaki apa kusiba sipinga imore. Kaki imore. Hai! Inchu kaki mwenzi tabatari. Ninchu gocha moye binto koruga mwapo ichi wakali. Hili, omuganga temisi onkoroko. Kaki.
Mbabwate chitandarua chokorosia ebirugo biechigari nabo igo ebirugo bya leather gusechi sofa set cha leather gwetania bo nigo kubanyora babwate chi velvet echo uranyare koroseria ebirugo byao gusekende gyonsi urigeti korosia nebintu nebyo mbabwate cha ase ebirengo ao manyiga nonyane chitandarua chokorosia chihema mbabwate kaiba gutuka nigo bagutuka ange ne hotel ya Kisi Hotel katikati yo musikiti odaraja mbili na Oru Superstores barabari na Kisi Hotel gutaka kumanya bange na kugura kende gyonsi bakere ase enamba 0720688220 Boy Juakali Center nkyukanyete utaragura ebintu bya kurworo
Njempo Juakali Store na bariga ni mwesto kole biashara osobwamo ingotoka opposite Kisi Hotel na bariga ni mwes
Gagi. Genda mwapoi gagi nyasaye baba poli Juakali. Gagi. Egotoka alinsa alitara chambiri. Gagi, ligere libudango kuwanete. Omusio mubihili. Gagi, nariri gori kwa sarense. Ebinto nago lirega gagi. Boy Juakali. Hei! Hili. Gagi. Hili. Hei, ngogongonya. Musio mubihili. Kuri tibintu mlimamba.
nigo bakwigura amatukonsi kuri nderi tukuri sabato tibari kwigura
Ana irinde tunyare kogendera na akira tukurigere hose tugendete ni gazeti ya The Standard mwancho murigirira ekiro ndochenga ase page agatatu ekiro tugutigana mangana ayega yokorobekana abanyanyimbo Gen Z ngana ya Albert Ojwang omone Chimask na asense mwende ndochego tabanga state told to pay IDPs in Nyanza and Western regions baribare internally displaced persons anamono okoro ase kagerete aba ekeusi bagoteba abakimbizi lakini tinkagerete hose iriete ringo sound rirebuya batukunga ki no mukimbizi abanda nabange sana abuna bono
those years during the 207 clashes but tari ya I think bali tikatotanga bali batabwati habo manyobono to be a bit fair lakini rende ngente ke for long including bali 207 and others, especially talk about the clashes, 208, 2728, come 28. I think the progress was better compensated, especially whatever I'm in the town Chinen. If a need is there, it has been more than 10 years, I think.
Miaka mingi sana.
It's
almost 20 years. Miaka iko 18. Umwana ibole tuboniga nikibanda kubwata.
Yeah, 18
yes.
years. 18 years after.
Later bado bagendete kuranga ba mparanyara kuba compensated ne serikali. Emmanuel ekero tukwana abatote ba lita bakimbisi ndiririgia lakini nali abantu abange bagochi babwatane bwangu.
Tenga ki wala spoon and spade a spade. Ikiagera tukonya mbabono nagoigo. Yetandi wala.
Mba minyoge tiwe kuru chinga chiabo.
Mba minyoge tukuru chinga chiabo especially 207. And the thing tukora guse serikali ya tiete kwa compensate. Yeah.
Na kurwa aiga ngoteberinga HIV/AIDS infections among a youth on the rise as controls fail. Iko nga operate biga abwa HIV niko bogendete comment kana sabasai.
Especially there's a report that came in Kisii County. Kisii County especially abasai oboriro biga bwenyamore obwarora kaneko kuba warora kaneko mandekana sana. Say Orongo Wabusi. So Matilda, I think what we can encourage abantu, especially Abasai Orongo Wabusi and Abasai Nyanza at large, who see, I mean Nyamira and Kisii County, take caution, getting
part
of the team we go to asebali banyareka ko bakonyorekana asomwa kuyiga yanyorekana na no ko basisa bwili so take care manyango muntu mo taranera care kuma omreno no muntu moye just go to hospital and ensure that more well protected egere you avoid this scenario of part of the counties in Kenya to see
egenderete kutangana
oburuiro bugende rise mono bose buruiro bukarabo bocha mbugwata consequences chae stigmatization, the families, and Orochenga, Usiza Busina, Machando Baronero, and Botakamboro. So instead, give us comment over Takatoba or Botakoba Igoro, listening in Chunga once you are deceased and you have found out the oppression, the stigmatization, will limit for even improving your economic.
Onchiri, asinsemo yao, abasai nigo bagendete kurwara kiro asekero. Andu mubaro gendete kugenda iguru kigema
ase obu kiwa kore tu siwo bagate bana account ya Kisii I think in Kisii not Nyamira yeah so bagate ba se account ya Kisii ya role kanire nere bwate there's increase ba beira bande sana se obu rweiro obu HIV okay on the other hand na vera abeke maana Yagerose Kolgeria squeeze there is a high rate of immorality Busiland, especially as
Bosongo.
Ebosongo, Titauni, even Chiskuru Chirewiti. Now, also of current, Kisii are very county get town developed sana. There's a lot of clubs in the area. In that one to whether the high rate of immigrants, Wagucha County, Kisii. Ono cases mune jona bachira changi so we kirende kilito tanga ki ono mboro do abasai ono banyare puerenda yagenda boko banyora nando goterona ikwa banyora through accident pero como banyora ida through careless your own carelessness can to what protect me measure
lakini asensemo ya stigma nkagiritinga ekati ya bari baikire kusetute bamenyeta samariogo wikira boniga abantu babonete gutwara boseme bori nabo okumanya goitaba irananga abantu mbare babwato muchando gusinga bono buroire tari bantu bonse babubwate lakini nande bado mbare gati yaito bamenyete na borobu nande nga stigma nto bwanete kuyukura ikiagere kitari chinga kichokonya wachenja bantu nga oyo na watu muchando yo tukumanya nkikya ngaki umuntu ya anyori to muchando yo.
Okay, again kuna stigmatization warali na okay maite yendongeta umuntu naro idomenyete town umuntu naro educated no naro tari educated so babanda ba educated entira bara hando tutebo umuntu watu gurwere buno obu nkwe to mogano gete buna kero gurwere obwanyore kanitu batangani sense yakeni bali banore tubabwate bainde guta ari sure okonyoro umuntu ari gutamano uyu naro ari tugurwere lakini the current negento que haver una normal normal naro negento que roro para ono queria to kunyara na bora no even your family member naro bwa
yes ase kera chinga umuchando yega na raro
to kunyara kumutama muna ki na watu buroiro tigato tano pare negento mo word just mo advice mo banera mo
abantu barageli kubiya yes
is a part of family member
when she looks to be good in history. My character over you could tell what precautions. Yani, that's why people could take care of themselves. Lakini ya vile normality. Lero iga, you cannot even karumate, you could even tell ngobuate kwa sababu even your health because anything njokonyarama lyoga ya taraika, you could look emaciated. Through the tab to recorder, abantu baba to ruiro boiga, you could tell even physically nchira balengi. Lakini lero iga Mario gachire, people take these drugs, people look very healthy. Lero iga Matilda, I can assure you, to kumanyanga ngobwate, anu ngotakariti, ngotabwate. Esenge nchonga ya very normality. Nando buoba bolibu alengo chinga kichiri chiakare, bonu buoba umbo doesn't exist mono. I think perhaps nakikiagere, no nye the rate yo ruiro bogokina ya koreki. Ya mentire. Esenge njorero to gocha kumanyanga urwarite, ngotarwarite. Muntu urwarite takes care of themselves, akoragira bya maite ngakia okora. Kwanyarango muntu igare health wise igare bya. Lakini rende neba kera aso ensema ya Kisii County kuno nchiria teba. Kisii County feeds even the Nyamira people. So meaning that anya ya ajiri Kisii County, then expect in the next some few days wagenda Nyamira kwa sababu Kisii County is like a home even for people bakuru kurwa sensema ya Nyamira. So people should take caution bamanyanga
ati abasaya anemono ekiro abasaya tima itinga ninkiye kogera koragana ngabantu bebwatukire anemono ekiro tukurigera aborokiwa bari asichi school bona bona college university na boigo chiskuru cyo bovundi aiga abosongo timetinga abana bagotwara chinga kichinyinge kose nibo bakuriga timeti nkike tose sengencho yo gutumeka kwa Mario yo gotindia
nelia Matilda, you find out that we are very tough economic times okonyoranga abantu bagotumeka means konyora maybe enibo ose their daily bread na bono konyoranga nani nkagaria omwibulia gotomete school gosora Kisii University be it polytechnic ya Kisii National Polytechnic maybe yote yo mwibuli ngaki mami timbwati pesa ga yo gukora this and this umanya kubolianga no maita bande mbaro bako kurumaega yani yaro kananga na buba in need mono ugwetani akwa bero monto mani ababoli mbari babe tabana babo chi college usich university they feel like one baba begeto they should look on other ways chokonyara chiba especially as someone munyaruka konyara we have attached to some people who are financially able and this might be married people to a point like egereba provide the needs yana kananga bono through that umuntu ga akora kendi gyonsi kiri umuntu yatagite. Now, the rate of immorality, you can tell for sure, yeah, very irregular. Not only even in Kisii.
Yes.
As the rate of immorality are very good. And that can never changira. Every corona, we have your comment over it when you're yabangabone achirego. But why should it be in Kisii? These are the Luo Nyanza places, especially Homa Bay, Kisumu. Not to Arocho Buruiro, Warenge Goromono. But today we are talking about Kisii County. Mamigo kwa natore maybe Nyamira and the places Chirangi. And toro chinga bono our neighbors the Luo Nyanza na butore they are neighboring. It means nga ko transfer go che ko very easy. So kuruga iko chiasa another neighboring county chiapo Narok wherever iko chiko very easy and utapata nga tuanyere kwa pato gwathirika as a country at large.
Emmanuel sense mo yao tutarakora se oroboturu cross namona sava sai.
I think some whatever like the most cases that you happen in terms of
yeah, very true.
Okay, sometimes it's true, but at times it's not true. Okay, like on the where you go, you are protected. Yeah, on your
yeah, your health come first.
Does it mean that enchire ya mo yokurigинchire ndite yo muntaranyare kwenyorera ebitoki gosaranyare ko tuberere ne iga yo butaka apart from kwengage asa mangana yo bonyaka.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sawa. That's a good question.
Chinchira neti nyingi, yes.
Neti nyingi. Again, for example, no let's say campus.
Yes.
Polytechnic. The main name is academics. So more the classes from morning to evening. Then go inside that so. So what we are according to me. Yes. Very classes in Makamaro, Kamaro, Bagani, they say it mopi, Bagan means you can't get inside water and nobody say that so. Nobody say that so go to go. Was on a key, Nari do Opera. I've over even a club, even an hotel. Since a Jamaro, Nakini. Still. Yes.
You could get vesa.
Kwabolinga inchira chinde nchiro. Of course there are some means nchiro montora ngore vesa. When you come to a boy child na girl child difference nero. Naro rabantu iga bakonika hawo butuko chinse cha butuko abana barenge class all over the time ya mugaso lakini butuko especially abana bamura na bakonika hawa abana mbara konyoranga riri free time na bakonyara ko bakora cyber services which is abana bande be it their assignment na bakonyoranga umuntu naro obwataka kioski kae bakoni chi kaba chechi simi umuntu naro maito ubufundi obokoro chisimi umuntu naro konia magena smokies bagutalia
go
very true ekinyozi nkero na
salon
yeah, that's salons and from the part of girls na bachiko bekwende lakini kwa nyarango umuntu maybe galenge bisi class ime bono botuko as boys are selling their kahawa. I'm not saying the ladies don't do that, but it's rare obanyore like men of them like doing some shortcuts onyoranga. The only side hustle maybe you can do at night andake can be that we say netabaigo. Some people even sacrifice during daytime but the encouragement there are better ways.
I think inchirate yo tobonete go justify amagana immorality na boigono kweligeria kutafuta riziki inchirate yo bibonete kuumerana ekiagera abange mbarona bado baira sobota ko boiga gose baiseire na bado babira balemereria singencho kero kenda puna comrades sencharango chire yabe nyinge encharango chire yabe nyinge sana lakini rende mbaroro balemereire
very true. Kero botaka bore go semino wasayo manyene your financial status etaringia. That should be a motivating factor. Means legal means because at the end of the day, Matilda, choices have consequences. Today, whatever you are doing, what the consequences. Maybe you are using this immorality to satisfy your needs, of which you cannot satisfy them. On the process, make in obugeting otegete gukore mechandere seino anda bononyoranga kwanyoromo mechando ende mo
nalio comment
kwa sababu nko ndonyora marwire anda marwire ya koya ira no nyakitari gose ko konyoro bumweni. It is also costly. So do you use this immorality to cure yourself because you brought it from there? So let us go torigerelinga which are the better ways umuntu ora tumeke konyore nibo ego sustain apart from rio muibori egere you survive nande issue yo botaka match zero shouldn't be a factor go push kokore bintu kete bitabwanere should be a motivating factor ngakin ko rusia se binte biga but in a very legal way.
Onchiri tumetose commentera kwa renge gende alafu
asenare nkura renge ngaki I wish true will be true ekemane kya yote ngeke the current generation yera bono iga shida tu bwate ne tu accept who we are. Okay, for example, I come from a very humble background. In accepting a key,
Mbiyo.
For example, too humble by the way. In fact, I came even to realize that
too
humble. They end up over the worst. And we accept the background. Sometimes, we should live according to our own means, despite the opposite became true. Even my campus or college, my lifestyle. Lakini gana irati saidi ya abana like me ndora rafiki ano vegete yang get too expensive or say sometimes we don't care with abu yani ntunto igwadi maya lakini kwa nyoro nyaroka nyaro wadi mai robo bimagoyo wande wadi mai yange yo wande tate
social media
social media in fact ladies na who even TikTok so so the ways the best way in fact
you know, Mazinda,
at
first we were talking about morals, and now most of the morals issues, which you touch ladies, they can feel we are unfair, we are talking about them the most. Nearly the topic of morals. That is why they are the first victims. But that doesn't mean men also should not be morally upright. Like in the Matilda, contentment. Let us be contented in a key. Like in the comfort zone. Let us be contented in a key. Yeah, but as you look for means, chogo improve yourself. But means chile that means na leta kubeka so much. Oma no ena bamura na baonyoranga. We come from a humble background. No, we haven't talked about baby. That is another thing. Na bo montao te banga bono tigancha ka kora broker some brokering here una bono na tarte ko chi aseketega market gaiga amungena ketaka ngainu ngakinga toe pin to cross report la biashara 106 chikage abantu bakora do you know na banga kia just young people aba muraba ke so let us not justify immorality the cases of theft and criminality obo salia cover and a side hustle yokonyo reverse. Yes.
Timaiti ango tinda ite so era so kurukia ndege kya timaiti so kurukia mbale ndege. Onchiri asika zeti ya Daily Nation kero kurugire especially asenganere tofauti.
Ngati ile sasa tofauti sana na ya Betenzi, yaga tuwate, ngaya tuwe kawa yisipo, the June 25 plans. Alright?
Yes.
June 25 plans, wese kwe nenga kia jitemizie bapa, declare na holiday nero.
Kero bachito baka bunge.
Nga kia ya painde ko pula la mide finance bill ya itetwe last year. Kono na kia baba ngite na ne holiday ya ukumbusho.
No mwaka oyo mukunyuri mwancho muri ngawe no mwaka oyo mubona guchikoera kurwali tukuriri abasa banyarite kwikase ebunge nene bagasoa bakaonja bakindagira bakorete lakini rende iki kiarenge ekebe mono ngeribuna nabangi banyarite gusiria magimabo nabangi bagaitirwa sebo gatagati bomochie o Nairobi na boigo nonye isiko yebunge getege bunge abande bakanyara wako masazi bale nonye nase ebunge ime anagira bakubulia nga enyare kuba kube kwa lituko oline na guse lituko libe holiday yoko inyora ali anyarete gukorekana umwako itheti maithinge serikali miyende kurigiriria serikali ne nyare gwanchira ritukiriga koba elio mutimuko
omayete eseri chikoleto ya Kenya public holidays nchimanyire na kero maybe a public holiday ya chire ere so important the government igekurwa robot yago seko communicate wetera se omo waziri boburendi bwaime na betoko bakomekina no itukogete ndo chitotware a public holiday because of these reasons. Lakini ya the 25th negento kerure na United Opposition abaro mweske Kalonzo Musyoka in honor of the Gen Z bali bachita so kuandamana. Okay. Matilda, it's not bad kuomerana ko inyorania maybe aba anene mono bali banyata ko bakonyora ma kwa manene wetera se okurubekana kuri kwanya ko kwenekigwa. It's not reminding people nga protest ose okorobekana kubwate amanyinga aitegete negentekia. I want to believe is a peaceful meeting era korekane egere kunyuria abantu kusikorera kuseko kohona bali banya ko bagusiya magimabo bali banya ko bako involved as ensemeria ya maandamano. Lakini we have no communication from the government in that should be bantu mo tiga meremo yeno nga it's a holiday. It hasn't been communicated. Lakini onyorenga no bwateri baga mo chando toyo okwenda kohona balia banya tuko bago siria magimabo chinga kicho. Yes.
Emmanuel.
Okay, ndara security don't think they will comment. By the way, I appreciate as a Gen when you talk Gen Z voka time of streets. Kegera usikogelinga kina the Gen Z demonstrations. Usikore this slogan among the slogans yangaki we were leaders mbawateni leader
fearless, leaderless, partyless.
Yeah. So lakini roje usikore opposition I saw it. In fact, the former Vice President Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka saying that whatever 25 will be a holiday. Oh no,
and they already pressure ya so it and serikali ebote comply.
Yes. Opposition ba so on the side of agency. Lakini ekero agency abalenge chi streets ba detenga ki mbata etieni leader. Na bubalenge kuimuka boka baende chi demonstrations bairane lakini so I just appreciate onye Gen Z abuka baagende bakomba meeting bakore demonstration chabo without any interference in sector either opposition or the government.
You see, Matilda, you see this is politics and onye a tribe nera wosege sakunkere bona iga morayonde bwensi ore siasa hata eto kwazo shete nabo Gen Z. Kwa sababu no maitenga Gen Z nere tubekita story bona iga. Gen Z nero ya change even the politics of the day. Gen Z nero ya working with the nation inga ebi ntombiro bitariko genda bia. So every leader, be it no Muraiwense, be it Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, be it Dr. Fred Matiang'i, be it Raila Odinga, igata getukwe association na Gen Z. So any opportunity that comes komanchikoro kinga bono Gen Z mbale part of it. Kero Murai igata getukwe correct, igata getukwe sona. So siasa. So maybe the United Opposition igobata ete kobanga na oba koroka na go take care of
Gen Z.
The Gen Z. And that's why they want to involve in that. Murayonde bwensi. Igoro na roche bunge, let me remind you something. Igoro nona na tekerete bikawa bie bunge sana. There's a committee that was nominated bagachora abantu babere bemya kemeke. And the move of the motion yorenge omoske murungara umujumbo Tharaka igaro tebanga even the Gen Z you can look we have incorporated them. Yani a tribe ye koruku Gen Z nere bona ere hot cake. Even in parliament they are saying muro chinga no na abana ba Gen Z they are well represented. So meaning that everybody wants to associate, every leader, every politician ata ite kwa associate na Gen Z arokane kobanga nero kuru the solutions to the problems that we have raised.
Yes, and onchiri ase umoganonde
before to umugano to asa siasa kidogo egana stroke no umosikie Maraga.
Yes.
Maraga umeto on latest obeyere. Mundo omuntu tu obere utrendri sana gega se gazeti ni kama this is my plan for Kenya if elected president 2027 ya gaga bije ya Maraga nero ono ngai kama te raise a lot of questions in Buziland there is an ironical statement here Maraga might not think a key ngote ni nara se terogeke na nere jenziba itabire. My question is this guy is 74 years old. At 74 years old is like a grandfather by the way.
What is like he is?
Like grandfather.
Yes.
So jenzi kia kawa muita betenga ki mogaka. Nena na ya tuwa bekre mu. Aya, another question is use kwegera umuntu ole sasa ole Buziland umuntu ongo itabirwe sana ni makira wale wana another question is ne umungwano narende naroje kigendere nerengi abuti nereke oge bona are like is a project kiagera bole tu ngande andi project injini bongo tenena njekwe wale ay nende on my side kama korana at times you don't get okro legacy ziniwo bono Maraga ya 2017 engakeria Uhuru Kenyatta the last election after 2022 niga vene dogo tupilie kesi kekia election like akabo muntu etweshimatia sana pale akatrend on mitandao in fact even East Africa akatumia wisdom gete nene sana ngai on my side legacy you are was nene sana alenge bogenda na go blame ebi kore biende da serikali kubwa bono kosoka nende ngaki on the voice of Gen Z no
aya naromba ngitengo sikubakorera
na raba ngite na bagita mana what there will be justice like there will be no corruption
na Dr. Fred Matiang'i kirari wikanere nkagirete gentate bete bono na story ground ninche neno bakomweri amangana yagendete tari guchiko gendera nainde I think oromotiro ntuchikoronyora erinde au mwancho muri nyare kugona ki narari ari kiro almost ke Dr. Fred Matiang'i nyare to kase egetige chendege kya JKIA.
So I think najitigana kidogo kubwata kana namangana moske David Maraga. I think David Maraga is like any other Kenyan na bagotena kubori obora events.
Neganga yae ne David
na beten is like any other Kenyan na bakubori obora events na ende nagotebiganga anybody utaita kubomora be it no mo Jumbe be it no mo ward representative ko saba MCA be it no mo governor women repigata eto we associate osekwe bwatani neke bali agency so bono ase sabu hocha ya sarekeranda kenarora maswali onchiri ago chanali ngaki when you look at these two people yanya asumo chando kurwe Maraga ere gotenina sobora ibwense na wate right no mo Kenyale nande na gete miakeria nande na bagote na kubumura ibwense yo ina shida. So as a matrix ego cha yasarekera kidogo bono ngero to cha kwirina back to Kisii we ask ourselves we have already Dr. Fred Matiang'i oyoro kanire ko banga neroro mo stadium mbere kurwase enseme ya Gusii esengenjo ere na chete omukami we have seen ga kuipu abantu we saw from Kijeuri Agatirimboka all the way paka stadium that organic crowd ekamwa a point like everybody felt inga nero suitable korwa sorogongorwa omo Kenya korwa sorogongorwa Gusii no tomo Gusii omo Kenya korwa sorogongorwa Gusii nere uwipiri abantu abange baroka and you know politics is numbers so if that number barenge stadium korukijeuri onsi then Dr. Fred Matiang'i wanchira no negesa kukyomo Gusii koba part of abantu abaho cyo kubori oborai lakini omo Gusii omo Kenya. So and then you find out a question comes now from Maraga. You are saying at Gen Z they endorsed you. Where did they endorse you? Because we haven't seen Maraga. Of course, you have had meetings. Drama kora any public rally. Yoku wipu abantu bago chamo. Whatever now we have endorsed you. agora nyorenga is kind of politics necho ku play in the boardrooms tali gocha guys okigaiga kwerende guys abantu bali
mienda it's a democratic country
very true.
Na watu busibole na nde chinga kinchiraro lakini asiboniga na boto kuba maiso kiagera bana siasa barabaka baogekero asekero with the time ekero chinga kichi gochogeka userio pochoro boko berange lero no chikumanya ki amaine who is who ningo taketekero geki gaso boronge ningo abakenya baruchora abakonye na nde ntokumanyire ko yeto umurai wense nere ni gari ngikoigere serikali kagoteba ngere tarishua gose second term neraro nakabwate tamu yende kuri ndase tamu ye myake etano emeke abwate wika ateme kwenekia ukiraniri chire chiri abegete cheme emetenye emyake etano kira gotebanga nonyenere amagana yo gotebanga tokanye second term na litogo chogikirania binte binge abota iyo onsiri as a story next.
Okay, as a story next. Okay, ora alo mwana wa siasa kidogo toza kama ana ikisemi to what was to train teachers on CBE ahead of senior schools. In a really, Madakuwa say gazette, I say we want to want the principal secretary, State Department of Higher Education Research, Dr. Beatrice Inyagana. Okay, I say party in I say safety discern, the transition from the former system of education, what CBE, what the CBC, what the CBE. So, yeah, I say the current system, the old system, but adapt new changes with CBE. Ono wega no tota na ki abaraji go so abona wanafunzi abaraji go so ati school. Go so mera tote go kwa imobo. Go tibale go so migwa mangana ya CBE na bago chi.
Ase system yenya.
Yeah, system yenya. Ngo se no wati kendo ra mentere asense yo ya.
Ase mangana yechi semi. Nkagiritenga twabere to kwandra ekero asekero aborukiwa bono mbagende ngo so bale grade ege 10 na nkagireta bago so asechi university korenga no muroberi yo CBE bono na bago chikonyora full education osibago chikonyora skills buna bago chiko handle aborukiwa aba CBC na asomo ganonde
ngaita no mwari mwese gazeti ya Daily Nation exam
bono I think tutegaritene gazeti ya Taifa Leo nande amanene na alitwanya kwa tukwanira kurende gaiga ase epeje ntangani county za Anasa katanga ripoti madhubuti mthibiti wa bajeti oyoromo Sibati Margaret Nyakango anyarako bagako ligereria chi county chirichi anyarako bachiko tumeka chibesa chinyinge kogenda chisabali chia isiko
county za Anasa.
County za Anasa.
Yes.
Yagotabanga bali banyarako bagotumekeni benene kokora chisabali echia isiko ndo chigaiga
county ya Nairobi. Nienda. Ekero kweboli eriteriga okay. County za Anasa. Chisabali chago chisiko na chichiko boekane wa Anasa.
Okwegoke. Yani maete Anasa no okwegoke ase umuntu.
Bono nelinga yabere ligotumeka asenchire ngao. Bono
chisabali chiga chia isiko taringa sabali cha
isiko emenge
na nkora abwati nde ebikaro bye bonge galia be senator National Assembly nkora turechi delegation from other countries bagocha asense ya Kenya tali bobe nani ntu aba baita nkogenda bale lakini ngento yego chikiaba the drawing was the point nelinga ki abantu abanki bagenda kuligyo ebenga ngento kribachi kuligyo mbakanyora so ndo cheke ga county ya Nairobi ere tumegete pesa ni benyinge tumegete 229 million ndoche account ya Machakos, Narok, Kisumu, Kitui, Lamu, Bomet, Samburu, Nakuru, Nyeri, Mombasa. Akulavushi komanya position ya Kisii county na Waigonya Mira era tumanya ngabarabu irenga bana ariko bago tumaka but those are the big spenders ebe chinse gose bali bago tumaka chinse chesko bali bakira chinse chesko as county echo ndo chegaiga ngosuka bosio mpango wangu wa Kenya ni kuchaguliwa kwa rais itwanara kwa topo yakwanira as wesa gazeti ya The Daily Nation yue nega gose umurai maraga yo tabanga bona bwa temero bulimia ochia saba Kenya eri banyara kwa bakumwata siasa ganga yae yokoba omo kwerende omo morai wense. Pigo tena kwa Rais Ruto katika juhudi za kupambana na ufisadi. Ngabona serikali ya Kenya Kwanza yarokanire kwa bwatani nebikore binge byoko kora gose biri gosegeta amangana yobo kurumi. Nkagerete ngana ende among the agenda sabwate ase manifesto yae no kurwana no bukurumi ase umuroberioe batbono obukurumi bwarra kana koba ole goromono ase ensemebe.
And actually abo comment kana ebintu biri byakwanereto anamona se manifesto ekirako so ase serikali bona mangana extra judicial killings no roche kikegendrete na bugutokuriyo mangana insecurities. Insecurity teraba I think insecurities to bwate asense ya Kenya samatuka abwangoiga na mangana buna yo ya oko cherero kwa Kenya na boigo ayechi community echi community konya gutwara mochando buna the North Rift na boigo arese county ya Narok kwa rochenaro kungsana go kabaroro. Yes.
Tuko sikabosika gando chenga Senate bunge la kitaifa zatangia county 415 billion. Actually no ene litkole goro we have that what we call a meditation committee. Iwe koreta abajumbe ensemo y'abajumbe kurwase bunge nene abwega aba senator banyarako bakoerera igoro yo koigwana igoro yechibesa chibanda kuru guchia second kwa sababu at first chibesa cha takeri kuru guchia second gochia aba according from the senators was to be 465 billion.
Yes.
Korende nyomberi yabwate chinguru chinyinge yokwena na gosi yokwaro budget gosi yo approve ne National Assembly kero budget yapa proposed from the Senate yacha se bunge nene bakanyara ko bako tukuterare nga kolangana na bobu na naro che ko baka tebanga ebese ye bakwa guchia se bunge eri already bairu tera leta
mbararo ramatunda
tararo ramatunda aywe eyo gochikoba push bamenda chibasa gochiase ensemeri ya ugatuzi nkarara paka abajumbe banyara ko bako changira bako tebanga rende. It is very hard to distinguish amagendera korekanira se county amagendera atenina actually okorekana na ya CDF according to abaraibande karomorayo oyo amokorusiyo gotabanga you need a microscope korora amagendera county ya korire yanda akamanya go proposing if it is possible in fact chira ni kupaka 200 billion bono njibande command instead njibande ko correct njibande kwera nase korende we have the 2010 constitution ya the devolution.
Yes.
Mugala muwe na haki umpe chi county nchiro chigendrete kokora magenderero ne bataraikirana to the points devolution yebwate ose eganga ya devolution ero but you can telling ibintu bya correct
amagendero na resi chi county
ya correct and resi chi county so from that budget tukana ko batokonyaranga baga approve 415 billion chiko cha kogenda ase chi county. I think you have a point on that.
Njiri.
Okay, as a party mugabo you county so you want there is a high rate of corruption in counties. Despite serikali yegona ile kubwa emiga ile county. County ndiro mateki yokoleka simakacharo kana ki yenga ile kibesa kule. Alafu ndiro kono rachoto. Abere mere ile kenya. Bono na kiko kana kione serikali ya watu kibesa county enya alikufuatilia ile county kindero lenga ki. Is there development? Ase kibese tulende jana alipo watu afuatilie county kile okay for example in the county ya Hamira and the county ile no change
ine county ya gukurwa bado watabanga neli
ne county ya ne gukurwa yeah there is no changes ne na boyo tune lakini abokuwe serikali ndio marriage lakini there is no changes and no development serikali kwa watu katika sababu ni ya kufuatilia county ni jana kuranga ki amagendero ngo korwali kodi ni chiwe sababu
I think on Chiria we have seen such project chiko in Stories County Nyamira. We'll find out. And Matilda, by the way, the latest Nyamira, you can tell we have harmony one. Ntwabwate binaga chisegiga nari lakini it seems we are in the path of
Bunawike gero kurigereria amba va MCA bonzi bakiranire ngora wa bare no yoro monogeri obusai omusketa dias enyabaro timetinki onchiri akosikera lakini rende bachakire kurigereria bono budget ye county ya Nyamira na ki gochigwikirana na boigo nkagerete bono ebintu mbichi kobabia ekiagera no nyamagendera hega twabire tukwanerekera sekero omete lakini onchiri to be honest ekero kurigera ukorosi county ya Nyamira abintu buna chipara nchiri kolemu chipara nchiri korosi gubona
to be honest because I also find
digere lichinya gitali asichire
that's true okay mali gato kwa nasi the former governor
may he so rest in peace.
Rest in peace. Usikulgeria asa koleta magendera na ngari asareko. Alafu usikule the current governor asa nyaere wakora wa magendera na ngari asareko. In fact, asinare Nyamira regesunde. By the way, have you ever taken your time utare Nyamira?
No, you come from Nyamira, tell us.
I come from Nyamira, but let us speak the truth. In fact, the largest part of Nyamira is in Dak. That's reality.
Dak estimator ave gose magendera ata.
Not even estimate. In fact, even the contractors when was keeper Nyamira na so gutara kwa nyonyo ni goroba gete ya gati gire musu ne project gete ya lenge. Kwa nyole para gete mire gire musu go. Basa bale manone para gete ba tiga iko. In fact, it create more problems. Na kite na ruete example ase tote ba zinkuru for example my place. In fact, ne ase jetari reaching was lakini siko area sa water akiba. Is it part of Nyamira also? Nasai like so dark. No electricity, no road line, radio, school, drop out, school, zero, so now it is not even a distance from that governor. Getting what I'm like. So Mugavana we county Nyamira hapo na Nigeria za unity. Ora ignora na sante na so part of Nyamira.
Amagendera naro lakini atari even
expectations here on Chiri in terms of amagendera Nyamira koranga chire akiwango gete taraikirani but it's good when you express
igona manyita sagoro no nya ikirase kiro kugunde ukwe murunga ninga kero kende osinga efara gete yes no bwate issue
anyway lakini ya Nyamira andake chisegie chichi chianyara ko bachikoba achichikora kana abantu twaranga maina mugenderero okonyorekana kwae nkolensi and that tells you because onye chisegi chiro then it means ngandake enga yu time chikoru andake amagendero na yako nyarkobaga ko nyorekana kurende Matilda
asenseme otara kunera sensemo ya nene nera iga ekotebanga the broad based wars yone ya people daily kurende tokero tukurigereria ekotebanga broad based wars ebwate bicha ya moske William Ruto na bogo moske Raila Odinga ekotebanga like most uneasy alliances the Ruto Raila deal too has been quietly rocked by internal discord. Kero tokorigerea abra ya baiga kero bare goswa ase serikali nigo gosekero bare ngokora okubwatana nigo bate betebuna gosibali ira yogo chakwaneke buna babikire ense ya Kenya okobabia lakini ekero okorigerea bintu bigendrete is it's the opposite of what they promised. Korende uboncho morigereria nigo ekero tukwanira engane yo kupatana kwa sokorosi wa broad based government nigo ekoro kananga bono bado aba Kenya okoro chiseginjiro ro chire internal ana mono tokore me ya ODM wanyane na boigo nonya Kenya kwanza koro kananga abarai mbari bagendrete kungusana na barabu ase barabu fatarisaneka na aria agenderete ana umwancho murigereria kendra gotonyora ase mitandao yetu ya kijamii chinsemo cha Facebook watanyamuna Getembe TV chinsemo cha YouTube Getembe TV na boigo wetere namba yetu ya studio ere 072644 7367 yondoche embare abagende tukolika ujumbe yabo kuchaiga ase studio bunabono mumanyi era gotebana zipora oye nigo akobokia etimu eraiga entingu kegima ekiragotebanga no are ngatigambokie abaiga ochoke machoka riari musioma omochukuru nyanchoka nyamwe yabo eramani Helen Onyancho umongina berimote umosori bwegesusu na barigiriria bonsi na Wilfred nerendo chana wagendete kolika ujumbe yaye ekegima kurende broad based wars umetekero torange ukana mangana siasa katokwa nere toyebwatirani yonsi etaboke broad based wars.
So for me broad based government yere kubwata ni specifically kiama kia UDA, not the Kenya Kwanza, kiama kia UDA na wego ODM. Inchobotambe I really question the okobwata nuko. We had the Kenya Kwanza government. Why couldn't it was inki kiara kogera ODM na UDA as a single party from Kenya Kwanza ekoro kubwata na ODM yoka inki yetare kobera Kenya Kwanza government kwa sababu nerere asoborai again tokende
yes
chama ya ODM na benge mo tumai tuano but I don't want to tinta tukota banga nerere na benge nga nenyomo yalingi ntu abwate nyomo kale ya Azimio ya bwate ODM ne byama bya Jubilee ekatware kiama kya Wiper ne byama binde
yes
enyomo yende ne ya Kenya Kwanza eyebwate ya kiama kya UDA ekatwara ne kiama kinde buna bona ANC ya Mudavadi ne abaikya tuguteretware cyabo Ford Kenya kya Moses Wetangula bono part of umugako yebono ku UDA wamwire naenda kogenda kolia another wife uyo ODM it happens that thing umurugi oyo ukuruko ODM wachikoligi na abwata abana abana ababono kerba jira senyoma yega including even the UDA still mu gako na abwata abana kere nyoma yabachire abana mbarega sensemo ya UDA batari wanchirana nenyoma lakini abana bono batanjira nitimono na aba UDA aba ODM kwa sababu mbarochi benefit nene lakini aba UDA aba wanchirana batari wanchirana iko barabake kwa sababu mbarochi benefit chinyingoro ono nyoranga when the Secretary General of ODM Edwin Sifuna bari go sign the act ko say a memorandum of understanding you could tell the body language ya lenge ase okubwata nakoli
yes
erega tabatenga igatete because ekyama ge kumuforce yabo as a Secretary General lakini umuboli an honest opinion about the osoko chakoliamo igago tabanga tagwanchiran up to date emechanda bwate with the broad based government twara baraya bang the top leaders ba ekyama kya ODM bago twaro mochanda ntwaroche mugavana sia James Orengo Babu Wino na barayibanda abange bali bakorokana koba ababwatani baime mono bekyama gya ODM yageranga broad based yatwaro mochando even the leaders bari within the ekyama gya ODM bali ko yanchirana yatwara questions and again keromorai Raila Odinga gotenna koteba igoro ya broad based he stands and speaks and says Omo Secretary General Nero Kwana a voice yekiam igobono what does Sifuna talk about the broad based what were the question marks
yes onchiri the broad based was kubata na kwabo kwa mechando
asama tukamaika ngombe na teletem na usikwege jamu ngana ya broad based government like go benefit the common mananchi according to me it's like they will cool the political temperatures in the country wale mangana siasa sana alafu to high levels ubisama vi saya yage ngreda say ikagero isikuyelia in fact ante tukura abeke issue ya adani later abeke rejected
yes
akero mheshimiwa Raila ne timu ya eba ingo opposition side in fact eba inga against adani sana pale alafu isikuriye kero bacha kunyongere wa broad based government Raila says adani is good then do security bono ya the current status of the country. Yani bono in fact broad-based government are more advantages than creating more political
chaos.
Atmosphere. The country government about energy bono mura igwenzo musike William Ruto oegeme iresa isaidie mo warali.
Yes.
Oibire the other side Engandoa, the former deputy president Rigathi Gachagua. Correct? Oh no, I don't know any we say benefit now the broad-based government. It was just yani ukuli siasa yende yinse ila ne sikaga tinda nyora mwananchi wende kwense benefit from that. Ikaronye bare so in that broad-based government mbainge affect again. There were even parliament mbali ba whatever go parliament waka lose too. Yeah, so I don't know whether they are sharing or that power. In fact, it is not legit and the benefit they want to the country.
Lakini mbara ororo barabanya oriro bokonyi. Chikaunti njiro bone gacha benefit liko kurige mune county ya Kisumu. Mugavana Anyang' Nyong'o nere nanyarete kora nere kora timu ya nere kochia ase serikali kusabe.
Okay, yeah, that's true. Okay, we say area the opposition yainge led by Kiame Kenene ODM. The home of ODM is in Nyanza. Nyanza ODM yenero ya wate the opposition no we say the other parties mean. For obvious yeah, so that say government expect things made to the home ya ODM no wale go benefit na kitu kwa nyona chisa itinde ba tena ki tuapigi mwisiko kibende na ndonye onyo musike Raila olenge kora olengo muntu olenge umuntu weke ene mono angano ene biroge bibyalenge ko baganwa abalenge ko bi distribute at least grense menyara ko nyoro umuntu abuna twalenge watengaki broad-based government ine sama legit no roche bono ene biroga ko byana on one side
lakini
viengereza idea
no are you aware that our governor Kisii County na role more deputy party leader wa chama ya ODM
sawa lakini sikugereria there is a time the governor had everything in my time in ODM is almost coming to an end kima ituze ngwana ikugereria ndo era the elinda supporting mheshimiwa Matia no ene maete kana in politics na boko be saidiende lakini ole saidiende
okembete kirogo gete yes
no eno musike usura tenga ki munde tenso asema ntu dogo si so
lakini then I want to agree with him nataka kora mo challenge yake mo nyoringa mo governor kwa county ya Kisii na mo deputy party leader kwa chama kia ODM so I don't know
are you feeling the effect no wete nini obukia boko be party leader
that is why now my question comes from when we had the slot siara kwa na ngocha say almost Raila Odinga Kaiwa actually guy ingirete the Luo Nyanza to a point like we felt like Omogusi ndori represented when aenanete aka contribute kusa kaenana aba jumbe gete kurwase bunge akabaina na kuchia se government akadonate kuchia se government no mo jumbe Opiyo Wandayi ndobwatu mo jumbo ndokorwa John Mbadi keraru garia we left egapwe kaba left egapwe yarenga Opiyo Wandayi igarenge the leader of minority and then of course yes negarenge the leader of minority in that matrix in the representation ya parliament why couldn't we have Omogusi nera board at least na abanonye ne deputy minority egere Juneta Gaicha Milia Kairanase deputy minority I think the chief nkitutare konyorera at least no Omogusi nera represented as a bonge maybe that's why we feel like Kenya ODM through Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga we are not being considered
politics is local
that's why abarai bande baicha if we are not considered then let us have maybe a sayito kando gai
edondo
Toko enda se dondo yeri tukuria rero ntete mbairu ki all the way paka Samburu. Not Samburu County but Samburu ere ase a county ya Kwale. Asinara korunga Samburu nga. Bono iganga umusa na royo mo o nyarte ko baga tama. Sababu yoko tama ne ringa iganyorte nga umu nyaruka oromo sani oye igare binamu aseke gusia I think binamu
cousin.
Is it a cousin? Binamu are cousin.
Are binamu yabo.
Mbabu ato boiri bwa ime mono. No yoiga akonyara koba. Ga kubo mosani oye. Bono nga Polo wa alitoroka kusijo julikana alipogundua demo aliyekuwa akirushia mistari alikuwa binamu yake. Ono mwana imemono. So that's why chikaze ni chuna whatever na abana bande. Abantu bari mumanyete chitawoni yanishwanga abana bechindu kuchiao bamanya ine. Haji that tenya arekananga they might promote you or kurukobo endugu kuchikobe kolera. If you cannot be careful, egera abantu banyarko bakumanyana umanyana nga oboiri babwate mboro byobo egere mbo tutukana bono boiga tubonyarko bokonyara.
Ebine bintu byabeire ase ekirastekero nande kera chinse mo chinyinge nande wikira boniga bado abairi mbale batamanya ine buna bona chikazi necho goteba ntubwate chinga abukonyara ngumuntu no bwate sisters ko gali otamanya tiko brother korende ayigana yakurwase moreti manyitinga korwa whatever our agenda ntubwate issues na wasenga kirokena basubati asa ikero tokwana mangana immorality abasubati ngoto kabarenga bali victims lakini asense mega yabana ne chinka I think from your side no nya mora ikerazo mugo bose muracha kichinka cheno aiga onkochi asa mora asa mutukale bose kerera tukinga kirokene mwatwalire family manyani abana onchiri
Eda manyana unama gana araro ngaki maide for example kuni na mia alafu maybe kenya kisi town onore ibu swa for relations ande to wanza kumugoli ngaki kona anza kumugoli na do kwazo ana na in fact family issues in fact was I've never seen that topic going aquí una kiumbo iguli unga jako kwa water and water moko ni amwa maybe mapenzi ya teke over ona zaza na be cases ni chiku happen bono moko gendra mutu mwanza woshukana kipa mna ngaba ili kwa bengi pale kwa no alida mwakati mwachire chi step moto pale nene ndege kom ndakialinda kodi tumio mungwano nyumba yako leta ndara mapema
kama pema mbia mapema ndio best ine ndo yeri tukolia
Bano mwanzo murigere kukirabo tokuragenda ase omutumuko ekira twabere tukurigereria aria agenderete niko tokonyora kimanyerere kyo gukorensemo ichi gazeti nabo igo tuchikomorekera bose tuchukwanera engana eyo yanyarate gukorekana na muno omubasukano nyarate gukorekana ase omuchibusungo orituko oriegoro
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamuraba chekuya
Silvakia ni nyagitari yekerero asumu chubusungu ensema ya mwembe mbarbare nigekomo SDA asepare kurobusungu guche Kilgoris nigekurwa obugwenia asenchira yekerero asugutumia chimashin chekerero abwasi bwata banyagitari bubwate obumanyi bwigoromono mbubwate inpatient gusichi ward na boigo outpatient abasaba roire bakubwenigwa na koira na gochianka mbubwate maternity yekerero yubwate chimashin chekerero laboratory yekerero gose ase okurengwa kwibirengo bigoro ekerengo kyobo chinu nigo kirigoro asinya gitari ekobwanya gitari ndionsi asorogongoroiga boigombo bwate ensemo yokomana gose modern theater ensemo yokulingoria nobuwenya bwa maiso gose optical department abwase bwate boigo eduka yibirore ase ebigori byonsi etani abu mbobwate boigo ensemo ya maino gose dental section yebwate chimashin ichekerero yobwate boigo pharmacy gose duka ya mariogo yebwate amma riogo onsi pi aliuraganirigwe gwetania onsi liguririabo nelianse pi ngwanchira bale umuroberio osha gose bali bwate umuroberio osha naboigo nkurike bale umuroberio osha otarigwakanira kinde gyonsi asamange bakresimia se namba 0799747414 Silvakia Hospital afeyao nomugoko ito inchuo bono.
Ne nogani gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubate misangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chipafde misangirikano yechikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyumo inyangi usuko kwa kuyomino imijiga ao munabono housewarming parties engagement parties igatie vinde vige bono Getembe television network nero ego kwaiga asiri golidio gotukutera ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba manyi baitabo bare nobo manyi wiguro igeti byetibwate signal ere enkomu igwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganiti omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge wigwitira semeria WhatsApp gosigu yakisi migwitira namba 0741499726
Yokomboli umwana kirijane
Stemo Nugabas ninya gitari ekukurwaria asechunchira chekero kurwa chinsi cha Maiko nigo bakurwa obubwenya bwabene asekera omurwaire abo asekera bakurwaria with a lot of privacy okubwenigwa ayebweka asibitando byabo bibwate obubwenya bwabene mbari gutomeka ntetere gustarko beto sindane yira kubekere chemical kandyonse asomobere igwa nigo bakubwenya amarwaire bunabono egetekyo mugongo naboigo kwirania amaugabya abanyagitari babo nigo babwate obumanyi bwebirengo byechinse ekya Maiko ekero bakurwa obubwenye bwabo nigo bakora n'ubwanchani obunene n'amaguri yabo nigo ale ayanse monokigima bagutoka ase nyumba ya Umoja Complex third floor eyo yalenge Family Bank enkuru yere angene Cooperative Bank asamange bakresimya namba 0741903162 0758066164
inche asamarieta ngoroku Agnes Mora omunyagitari omonene Ostemo Nugabest nkoirali bageri mwensi abagusi kubaligania ase Stemo Nugabest aiga Stemo Nugabest etokubwenia ase gotumia chi machine chekerero igo bali mwensi mwachandikira asama rwaire ao twabariganiri tobae obobwenia bwekerero inchu mwensi tobokere obobweni bwaito aiga Stemo Nugabest biyamon
ajirire gucha Stemo Nugabest abo ase uranyore obukoreri bwigoromono
gusie bono na bukwegokia aso gusonja etv ya wanje kya Getembe television network wetera Zuku Satellite channel number 038 egoki nimrulu ya Gatembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuli mienzi ya Kenya ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, Kanonya, Zambia egulire edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichika chimikaji Christmas amono guchingira ku mwaka muya idubwego kinemirubiri yetu aho inyoranga nigo okonyora channel ya Gatembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite channel number 038 Gatembe Television Network ekeunga kia momogusi.
Gutera chinko chinkureta elioki waitiro ne chingake gutumeka chinko chinyinga asumuriro omusinine boyko byaitiro ne chingake bono Alpha Rice Briquettes na lyuri chibuliao ase okorosia endagera na boygo gwata asibigoli byonsi ni chiamate chonsi Alpha Rice na makara ao nigo arosirie ne teknolojia yekerero tabuatirioki no nyenerika agutumeka kemono nende akoira egeka kujya umuriro ene kebemberi dikuridiaye neligiya amakara ega nigo agokeania kuna chukwimite yeito wose deforestation boigo obuyabono nobo ogokeania gokonyora kwindwari ya kansa Alpha Rice Briquettes na bogutumeka ase chioteri chinyakitari chinka chiskuru na boigo nabugusamba inyama tutarere asumu chubusungu na bugutwakere isimi ase namba 0111502030 Alpha Rice Briquettes naye twanchete.
Eduka ya womo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo iyo karose chirangi mense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomenya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabono babata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ya nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriye chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri kuririke iriya gatigati bwekariguri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani gwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale ya watagete nigo kwa yenyora bwikirano tutarire rero eribwenyorere abamanyi nabwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu chuyigo musongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera se namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone amona mabaki.
Boy Juakali Center neduka egokoneria ebitamba byokorosia chisovaset ebirugo byechisovaset bagomba bwate chikapet chisanduki cy'abana bagucira eskuru na boygo cyo kubekera chianga nigo babwate emeito yebirengo a kurwa eri abana bagucira eskuru amarangeti ebitamba byokwara na kurarira babwate chichiko chiviber cyo koroseria ebirugo na boygo chips cyo koros pillowcase ekyo ogorarira
Gaki omwana oyo boy tikanda ngoi chibesa ntabwate muko lakini naikire taracha seito nanyorire mwapo ichi wakali hai bono chibesa nkoenda mpulingi go pulingi emeito ya bana bakuchere sukuru emeito yo konyora bana chisare kwa razangu ra duniani kaki oroje paka nabwate paka ebinto mbire bakoro kwa chiferi veti chikorozi ebirogo biechigari hai kaki aba kusiba sibinga imore kaki imore hai inju kaki mwenzi tabatari ninju gocha moye binto koruga mwapo ichi wakali hili omuganga James Onkorogo kaki
mbabwate chitandarua chokorosia ebirugo by'ekigari nabo igo ebirugo bya leather gusechi sofa set cha leather gwetania bo nigo kubanyora babwate chi velvet echo oranyare koroseria ebirugo byao gusekende gyonsi origeti korosia nebintu nebyo mbabwate cha arms ase ebirengo ao manyiga nonyane chitandarua chokorosia chihema mbabwate kaiba gutuka nigo bagutuka ange ne hotel ya Kisi Hotel katikati yo musikiti odaraja mbili na Uru Superstores barabari na Kisi Hotel gutaka kumanya bange na kugura kende gyonsi bakere ase enamba 0720688220 boy Juakali Center nkyukanyete utaragura ebintu bya kurwaro
njempo ichwa karisto na bariga ni mwesto kole biasara osobwamo ingotoka opposite Kisi Hotel na bariga ni mwesa
gaki genda mwapoi gaki nyasaye baba boli Juakali gaki